Yo guys, and welcome back to this new stream here on the channel. And on today's stream, I will be discussing the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market, because today, it is once again a day that Bitcoin is going to make some very important decisions. And the decisions that Bitcoin today is going to be making here is going to be very important, because today Bitcoin is trading on a very critical level of resistance. And today I do want to be seeing a breakthrough. So far, Bitcoin is creeping up very strongly towards 50k. Yesterday, I told everyone I will be doing an extra giveaway as soon as Bitcoin does reach 50k yesterday. But unfortunately, yesterday we did not reach the 50k. So we're going to look and do, of course, another giveaway today. So make sure to stay tuned for the next giveaway we're going to be doing here. But I'm looking forward towards where we're heading towards from this point. Bitcoin is closing in towards the 50,000 US dollars right now here. And right now we are seeing just a massive increasement. But what we are right now seeing here is that Bitcoin is getting rejected every single time by some kind of the same level here. By basically this box here on the top side. So I could be drawing either this trend line over here or just this horizontal box over here on the higher ranges. You can clearly see on the left side as well. On the left side over here, we got several times rejected by this range here. And of course, on the right side, you can see as well, we are right now getting rejected by the range once again here. So several times this level has been providing a significant amount of resistance. And several times I've been saying, and several times I've been seeing this level, of course, first of all, providing very strong support, or either, of course, very strong resistance. And right now, since we're approaching this level again, I will be saying to you guys out there, all Bitcoin hodlers, all Bitcoin traders, this is of course an important and a key level to be watching right now here. And of course, if today could be the day that Bitcoin is going to be breaking through this level with a 1 hour close at least, this is going to be leading towards an extremely bullish day here. And of course, so far, Bitcoin has been pushing up here in the past 3 hours again here. Bitcoin has been trading above this 49k target for already the past 2 hours. It is really knocking against the resistance. And like we do know here is that, at least what like I do know here right now, is that I'm very confident that this market is going to be reversing, and that this market is going to see higher price targets getting visited in the coming weeks ahead of ourselves. It doesn't necessarily have to be this really all alone here. Can Bitcoin first go back to 45k before going further up higher? Yes, I will be definitely say yes. But is it likely for Bitcoin to, of course, shift its momentum anytime soon here on the higher time frames? I will be as well give you a yes here, and I will be today go over a lot of time frames that are right now saying to us we are in this market reversal. So if you want to be finding out about all these kinds of things here, you should definitely stick till the end of the stream, because it's going to be a very, very exciting one, what we're all going to be discussing, of course. But yeah, nevertheless, Bitcoin is right now doing a very good job here so far as well. My trade that I have been warning everyone about here, 60% up here. That means that I'm right now in an approximately 15,000 US dollars profit. So yeah, profits are being made here. I have as well some other trades on my other BYBIT accounts open here. That trade I closed yesterday. I took some profits over on that trade here, because yeah, this is my swing trade position, and yesterday I took a scalp trading position, and with my scalp trading position I already went out of it, and with that trade as well I locked in on approximately 30,000 US dollars. So today has been yesterday/today has been for me so far an extremely good day of trading. Right now, of course, what will be even better if we're going to create this continuation up here, and like you can see, Bitcoin closing on this chart here on the 49.4k, and this 1 hour candle close, what we are going to be witnessing all together here on today's stream here is going to be meaning everything. But Bitcoin is searching up right now. In the beginning of the stream, guys, I've been not even able to go over all these different time frames, because Bitcoin is already starting to be pushing up. But let me go over some other time frames as well, what we can currently see on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin 4-hourly chart, we do know this chart has been clearly already seen its breakout. This falling wedge structure already broke out. And of course, like I've said several times before, the falling wedge price target is always going to be at the top side of the wedge here. So in this case, the top side of the wedge is going to be this measured move of 8.3% here. So in this case, this is going to be another continuation from this point with an approximately 4.6% here. So yeah, it is looking particularly strong right now. It's looking particularly decent right now, and Bitcoin is most likely going to create this continuation further on towards the upside, since we are right now seeing, of course, this interesting falling wedge breaking out towards the upside. So yeah, for this scenario, still looking good, and hopefully we could be having a further continuation up here. Then as well, 4-hourly candles in general I mean, we just looked, of course, at the 1 hour candles that we're right now trading against a very key level of resistance. But as well, if we're looking at the 4 hourly candles right now, we're trading against the same key level of resistance. Bitcoin is not only on the 1 hour finding resistance right now, but like you can see here previously around here on the 5th of December, these candles over here, I mean, from the 5th till the 6th here, these candles over here got rejected every single time from the 49.4k here. So 49.4k has been a critical range of resistance, and yeah, we have been already able to be breaking through that range here. Like you can see over here, resistance over here, support as well over here, resistance, and we're right now once again approaching it. So does this level look very lovely? Yes, indeed, it does look lovely. Do I want to be seeing a breakthrough of this range here? Yes, I do want to. But I will be, of course, really determined right now, like, are we going to see a breakthrough? Yes or no? That's going to be the real big question. And of course, for me to really determine if we're going to get a breakthrough, I would like to use, of course, some momentum indicators. So right now, I've got approximately 5 of the most important momentum indicators out there in front of your screen here. And these momentum indicators are going to tell us, of course, what the market is doing, and these momentum indicators are going to show us what kind of divergence they are right now forming here. So are the momentum indicators right now in this downtrend creating bullish or bearish momentum? That's of course the question that we're asking ourselves. And of course, and we're going to take a right look here, and let me go to the correct settings. Let me see if everything is enabled. Let me as well enable all the hidden divergence, of course, on this market. But yeah, if we're going to right now look at, first of all, at this indicator, and let's see what the momentum of, moving average are telling us. Of course, the moving average from the 20 to 50 and 100 on the 4 hourly candles are, of course, bullish. As well, the RSI is bullish, money flow index is bullish, Storch RSI is bullish, the wave trend is bullish, and the VWAP is as well bullish. So these momentum indicators, these are indicators at all, first of all, are extremely bullish right now. They are looking bullish in the market that we're currently trading on the 4 hourly time frames, because we're looking at the 4 hourly candles right now. As well, RSI, like you can see here, this green line together with the R that is getting formed over here is forming bullish divergence here on this market. So it's forming bullish divergence, a regular bullish divergence on the trend here, while the price action keeps continuously going down. That's a bullish signal. We're seeing as well the money flow index not really necessarily shows right now anything on the 4 hourly candle, but yeah, so that one is neutral, no bearish divergence, no bullish divergence. Storch RSI is right now forming as well several bullish divergence here on the market, while price action keeps continuously going down. We see as well the wave trend, very important momentum indicator, forming bullish divergence right now on the market on the recent drop off over here, giving us as well a bullish signal. So that are already 3 momentum indicators that are giving us right now a green light, together as well with the MACD here. What is right now showing is extreme bullish. I mean, guys, this signal that we're right now getting on the MACD has been a signal that I've never seen before getting created on the market. You almost never see such perfect of a signal getting formed here. You can see right now, of course, 2 momentum divergence getting created here. So 2 momentum divergence on the histogram getting created here, and as well 1, 2, 3, 4 momentum divergence getting created on the momentum trend line, of course, the moving average. So this is of course giving us a very clear signal that the market is in right now is this bullish period. Of course, we do see the price action still has been going lower and lower and lower, but in the background the momentum is forming all these bullish divergence, etc., and that is of course giving us a very clear signal that we should be right now anticipate the market is going to go in this longer period towards the upside. Of course, we have been seeing as well several times on this indicator that the market has been flipping bearish, like of course on the peak over here on the 50.3k, it gave approximately 1, 2, 3 clear signals that it was bearish, and of course since that point it came down. But right now it's of course 4 momentum indicators that are giving us a bullish signal that, for me, in my opinion, give me as well a little bit of this this bullish edge on the market right now. So I'm looking forward towards that what we can currently see. And basically, like, we are seeing 4 different momentum indicators right now showing us we're going to be seeing this continuation up getting generated, and that is of course a lot of confluences that we're currently getting in the market, and that is of course making myself particularly bullish, of course, on the market that we're currently trading on. And that's, for me, as well a reason why I do expect a big market reversal is about to be imminent here for Bitcoin. And that is of course a thing I look forward towards, because yeah, I'm not in a swing trade position on Bitcoin because I do not expect the market reverse towards the upside. No, I am in the swing trade position for a very fair average price, of course, that I've been accumulating, because I do anticipate higher price targets are going to be visited. So yeah, I am looking forward towards it. And of course, I am only here to be making massive profits. And so far, yeah, the profits are running up pretty quickly here already. up to our $16,000 right now here. And of course, the loveliest part about this trade that we are right now taking here on the channel is that I've been warning you guys all about that I will be taking this trade. Of course, I've been explaining my exact strategy with this trade. I've been telling you guys exactly how I've been accumulating this trade. I've been showing you guys exactly the moments that my trade has been underwater. I've been showing you guys my trade once it is, of course, positive, and once it came down again. So yeah, of course, I showed you the goods and bads here of my trade here, and hopefully you guys are going to be enjoying it as well. Hopefully you guys are going to be benefiting from the market as well, being trading a little bit lower right now here, because the market is right now trading, yeah, of course, below this 50k. Still, generally still not a bad accumulation range at all here, because if we're looking at the funding rates here, we still can clearly see funding rates are extremely negative on Bitcoin as well, guys. I don't know if you have saw it, but Bitcoin funding rates are still negative across the border. Well, basically still means right now we're trading on 49.5k. We have been seeing an approximately 6 or 7% increasement from the lows here, like you can see over here. Of course, we have been seeing a 7% from the lows, 8% increase from the lows here. And even though there are still more people entering short positions, and especially on this level right now where we're trading on, well, Bitcoin is indeed pushing up massively right now, guys. So the level that we're right now trading on is indeed a very strong short target, and that is the reason why we can still see funding rates are negative. Well, basically, of course, confirms my thoughts that I do want to be in this swing trade position, because the funding rates are still so negative right now. It does explain me, and it does reflect to me right now that the majority of the traders are still in a loss, still in a short. And because the majority of the traders are in a short, I will be only getting more confident with my long position. And besides that, if the funding rates are negative, it just show you that you're going to get paid to be in your position. So for me, I'm very confident in my position. I'm not taking any profits also yet here. Of course, I could lock in a very solid 16k here, but of course, like I've been showing you guys already several times before, I'm personally aiming for targets around to 70k for my take profit, and of course, then I will be at least already make more than 2.5 Bitcoin. So that's the thing that I'm looking forward towards right now. I think I can easily swing trade this market towards the upside again here. A thing that is as well getting myself extremely bullish right now for the market in the coming days ahead of myself here is of course the daily time frame on Bitcoin, because Bitcoin has been breaking its daily trend here, like you can see over here. This, of course, one rejection, second rejection, of course, several rejections over here, several rejections over here, and of course, yesterday with the daily candle close, like I warned everyone about, I said to everyone out there, you do need to be closing this daily candle above this downward slope resistance line for Bitcoin to see continuation towards the upside, of course. So yesterday we clearly did set this daily candle, and we did close this daily candle above this downward slope resistance line, together with, of course, the RSI on the daily time frame getting broken with the daily candle close. And of course, together with all the momentum divergence we're currently creating, not only on the daily time frame, excuse me. My sound was a little bit glitchy here. Okay, check Luna. We'll be going over Luna as soon as we're finished with Bitcoin. But we have been seeing, of course, several bullish divergences getting created on the daily time frame, on the 4-hourly time frame, together with the trend line on the RSI getting broken, together with, of course, the breakthrough of the falling wedge structure, what is, of course, a bullish bias reversal structure, what in this case has a price target, don't be shocked, of course, of an approximately 44% towards the upside. I'm not going to be missing this trade. I'm not going to miss this trade, and of course, this is not going to be a trade that's going to go up in a straight line. No, that's not going to go. It's most likely going to be a trade that's going to go up in a matter of, let's say, 40 days or so, 30 to 40 days. So take that in consideration. But I do think that today could be already a very strong day for Bitcoin again, since today is, of course, the final day that we did broke the downtrend, and this could be leading towards this massive continuation up here. Of course, we do know as well that on the daily time frame, it's not only the MACD that is, of course, currently forming bullish signals. So let me quickly enable the MACD here. Let me see if I have this anywhere. Over here. So of course, over here on the MACD as well, on the daily time frame, you can clearly see MACD is forming higher lows. Price action is forming lower lows. So we're clearly seeing a bullish divergence getting formed on the MACD, what is getting myself as well extremely bullish on the minute short term here. So I do expect, like I said several times before, I've been saying it for the past week, I've been saying it for the past 10 days approximately on this market. I've been saying it to you guys out there on my channel. Bitcoin is about to reverse. And this reversal is, of course, right now getting started, in my opinion, since we have been breaking this daily downtrend. And of course, as soon as Bitcoin basically as well breaks this downward sloping horizontal resistance line on the 4-hour chart, this is going to be looking towards a very strong continuation up here. Like you can see, already a while ago, we broke this downtrend over here on the 4 hourly candles. That was, of course, the beginning of the trend that we're currently in here. And right now, the next major level to be breaking here is, of course, this horizontal range over here. As soon as we do break this horizontal range, this is going to be for sure a lead towards continuations up here. We do now already broke this falling wedge structure, has as well bullish vice price target. So in my opinion, the whole market is looking bullish right now. And of course, shorting this market right now is a thing that is, of course, very, very hard to say right now. I think shorting the market right now is, of course, a particularly big risk, first of all, that you're taking, because you're taking a risk to be shorting an asset while it is looking particularly strong on several time frames and while it is forming several momentum divergence, of course, like we can clearly see over here on this chart here. So yeah, it's a particularly big risk you're taking if you're going to short this market, but still, for a continuation up and for a potential retest to enter your trade, I will be looking forward towards, of course, seeing first of all the 4 hourly candle close above the red box here. As soon as we do close this 4 hourly candle above the red box, we could be seeing, of course, a retest of this level, and that could be your accumulation range. So far, we're trading against resistance. So for everyone who's right now wondering, should I be opening my trade here on Bitcoin right now? I mean, I should definitely still wait for 4 hourly candle close above the red box. As soon as we do get this resistance getting broken, then we could be, of course, see this continuation towards the upside getting created. Then you could be opening your trade on the retest, because opening your long position against the resistance is usually not the smartest thing to do, so in my opinion. Rather wait for a breakthrough of this range, and then you could be, of course, starting to be to open your position on the retest afterwards. So that's a thing, at least that's going to be my strategy if I had not accumulated a trade yet here. But of course, I've been saying it several times before. I've been accumulating my trade around 47k for an average price so far. Would have loved to, of course, put my average the entry price a little bit lower, because I've got more orders set up on 44k and 43k and 42k. But unfortunately, so far we have been not able to go towards these levels. Yeah, if we are not going to go towards those levels, I will be not able to, of course, accumulate more and further on in my swing trade. But so far, yeah, 320,000 US dollar trade is doing myself good. And of course, if you do want to be trading the market in general as well here, guys, do not forget to check out BYBIT here in the link in the description, especially right now, these times here. Well, of course, not a lot of people are paying attention, because that's literally what is happening right now. There are not a lot of people paying attention towards the markets. Then a lot of people really trading the markets. People are afraid, people are shorting rather than longing, but these are the times, like last time around in September, I built up the most epic swing trade ever, where I made more than 300k in profit from, and right now I'm going to do my same strategy. Of course, I do not think it's going to be a 300k profit here, because yeah, I mean, in order for me to make such big profits again on this trade, the market needs to go first a little bit lower before going up again, because I right now only have 320,000 US dollars in this trade, and of course, for me to make such big profits again here, I need to at least have, of course, somewhere like close towards $1 million in quantity in my trade here. But so far, yeah, still doing pretty good here. But yeah, if you don't want to be trading this market as well, do not forget to check out BYBIT here. They're currently as well offering you a 4,100 US dollars deposit bonus, one of the biggest out there since a while, of course. But yeah, it's going to be quite an exciting one. I personally definitely can't wait to see what is going to be pulling out for later today here. It's going to be a very exciting journey, in my opinion. And I think, yeah, together we could be take this trade, of course, towards new all-time highs, and that's of course a thing that I stand for, and that's of course as well a thing that I look forward towards. So yeah, I'm very, very excited about it here currently. I'm very excited about it. And let me see, we're watching already with 870 of you guys out there on the channel, by the way, guys. If you haven't already smashed up that like button, make sure to do so right now. And someone is asking us, what number is the box? So the critical resistance for Bitcoin to be breaking on the 1 hour candles, guys, is going to be the 49.5k, 49.4k, 49.6k approximately. So like you can see right now on the right side of the screen, I said correctly, you can see it over here. You can see it, this approximately range between 49.6k and 49.4k. So this 200 US dollars has to be getting cleared. As soon as we do clear it with a 1 hour candle close, yeah, it's going to be good. Bro, check the bullish bands. Let me quickly go over it. What about your indicator? We'll be explaining a little bit more about it here, guys. And you guys can get it as well. I've been already discussing it a little bit here, but I will be going further over it as well. And I will be giving it away to some people of you guys out there, because like you can see over here, there are several indicators, the Rover Trends V1 and the Rover Trends V1 MACD, because the MACD is a separate indicator here that's going to be help you to identify the market here. But yeah, this is going to be in a private script that I can invite you guys for. Of course, this is the version 1 of the indicator. There are still a lot of things that I want to be tweaked up here, and of course, there will become a version 2 out there as soon as I do see, and of course, as soon as I do get all the feedback, of course, on the indicator. I'm very much looking forward towards how it's going to be playing out here, and of course, for everyone out there, I will be making a special video about it anytime soon, and later in the stream, I will be as well go over it a little bit further on it. I will be at least give us some samples away of the Rover Trends indicator. And basically, this indicator will help you to identify momentum trends here, momentum swings in the market. So yeah, if you do want to be finding out about that one, just make sure to stick in the stream here. You will be getting this free indicator. It's pretty good here for everyone out there. So let me quickly go over the Bollinger Bands here. That was what I was about to do here. So Bollinger Bands is critical for is what SA is saying currently. Oh, Bollinger indicator, bro. Oh wait, you mean not the Bollinger Bands? You mean the Bollinger Bands, I think, right? You say Bollinger indicator. I think you mean this one. So Bollinger Bands is indeed trading against this resistance. So remember for live as well, tuning into our stream, XRP and Sandbox splits. I will be going over all these tokens as soon as I'm done with Bitcoin and Ethereum. So please give me an give me a moment here. But yeah, Bitcoin indeed so far is indeed trading against the Bollinger Bands here. I look forward towards, of course, breaking this range. We have been seeing it several times before. Once Bitcoin is trading against it, it tends to increase very quickly in its valuation. But yeah, Bitcoin is, I mean, what we can currently see here, and what is basically as well always suggesting a major move in the market is the Bollinger Bands creeping in here. It had this massive move up and then it creeps in, right? So you can see a massive move up and then it creeps in. And like we've seen several times before, or when I drop here, it creeps in and then you create another big move here. And if you have a pump here, so you see a dump, it creeps in and then you pump again. And you see, let me take an example for a pump here, like over here. You take a pump, it creeps in and pump again. So usually this is a pretty bullish signal that we're currently getting on the Bollinger Band. So I'm just going to wait casually and I'm going to look forward towards it, how it's going to be playing out over here. Looking forward towards getting an invite, guys. Eventually, like maybe the first week, I will be not sending an invite to everyone because I still have to be like figuring out on how it exactly works and if there are some things I can still fix before it's going public, of course. So it is definitely a very exciting indicator, but of course, eventually, like I promised to everyone out there, it's going to be a free-to-use indicator. The only things you have to do for it is probably subscribe to the channel and, of course, ring the bell notification, but subscribe to the channel and, of course, follow me on Twitter. So make sure to do so already if you want to be getting access to the indicator. We're currently as well working on a website, and I don't know if I want to be releasing the free indicator on the website that I'm building right now, or that I'm already want to be giving some just easier access before. So it's still a thing that I'm right now considering, guys, what I want to be doing here. So I'm looking forward towards how it's going to be playing out here. But yeah, it's just very exciting. These things are getting rolled out, and of course, guys, like I promised, I will be trying to bring back more and more to you guys out there on the channel, and that's as well very exciting. Rover, what's about VPAT? I mean, later today, guys, I will be doing another stream here. So if you don't know already, later today, I will be doing another stream about VPAT, especially about their launch. And guys, I'm looking forward towards the launch of VPAT as well. So if you want to be seeing about that here, and if you want to be seeing the live token launch on live and how it's going to be basically reacting, make sure to subscribe to the channel and of course be there later today. That stream is starting on 4 hours from now on. So I'm looking forward towards that stream here. It's going to be a very exciting one. Bitcoin is going to dump here. I mean, I don't know yet. I don't know. I don't think so. Bitcoin necessarily has to dump here. I mean, momentum indicators are looking particularly good. And hopefully, right now we're trading against this 1 hour resistance. As soon as we do break above this is going to look good here. But let me take a real quick sip of my coffee, guys. And in the meantime, once I'm going to take a sip of my coffee here, guys, do not forget to slap up the like button. And of course, ask me some questions because I'm right now going to go over that then as well. So, let me quickly go over Ethereum first. Let me quickly go over Ethereum first of all. So, by the way, Bitcoin weekly chart still looking particularly healthy. Nothing bad to see at all here. How to buy VPAT. Just tune in towards the next stream here. We're going to be explaining everything over there because that will be a dedicated stream about that here, basically, and of course about the Bitcoin market if something happens over there. To be honest. Let me quickly check up here. I want to be talking about Ethereum, of course. So first of all, checking in on Ethereum against Bitcoin. Ethereum against Bitcoin. Yesterday, losing a little bit of its valuation. So far, it's bouncing back already very strongly. Like you can see here, upper sloping support line getting generated. This upper sloping support line has been holding us up very well here for the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart here. It's going to be important that Ethereum compared to Bitcoin is going to hold this level up here. So far, this chart is forming a lower high, and that's of course giving a little bit of a more bearish confluence here. What we're seeing, so we're forming several higher lows on the market. So we're in a higher low, aka uptrend, together with a lower high getting formed on the recent high. So this basically means that we're squeezing the price action in towards an apex. So yeah, what we're going to be seeing here for the Ethereum against Bitcoin valuation is massive volatility here. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but at least in the coming 3 days ahead of ourselves here. So do expect that Ethereum or Bitcoin is either going to take some valuation out of each other. Of course, as soon as Bitcoin is going to get a massive pump here, I do think that Ethereum is only going to lose more valuation, because usually once Bitcoin pumps here, Ethereum gets left behind, and as soon as the pump is done, then Ethereum takes some back. Takes the territory and back here. So I'm looking forward towards what is going to be playing out for Ethereum. But so far, yeah, we're in an uptrend with a continuation pattern. So I do expect a continuation as well going to be imminent here for Ethereum, of course. So yeah, I'm looking forward towards that one. Of course, we do know on the horizontal chart on the daily time frame, Ethereum is still holding up this 4K level. What is, of course, an extremely bullish bias signal that we're currently getting here. Of course, we are forming several downward sloping trend lines here on the market. These trend lines are going to be important to be witnessing, important to watch, of course. So you can clearly see downward sloping trend lines getting formed here, resistance, 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 and of course a breakthrough of this trend line could be leading towards some higher targets getting visited on the coming days on Ethereum, because yeah, we're right now reading the daily time frame. Of course, the thing that we do know as well on Ethereum is that we're going to be looking at the 4-hourly candles. Ethereum is looking particularly strong here. Ethereum is forming this falling wedge structure, and this falling wedge structure on the Ethereum price action, of course, broke out towards the upside already yesterday, since yesterday, or 2 days ago even already. And since we, of course, did broke out of this pattern here, and I do expect a continuation up here. So my target of this pattern breakout is going to be 20% measured move towards the upside from the current time of recording. This is going to be another 17% move here. So that's the thing I'm looking forward towards, and that's the thing that I do anticipate right now here to as well get visited. So right now it's still on approximately yeah, for a significant move towards the upside getting formed here, but since we're forming such big of a reversal bias candle, I do expect as well that we're going to be seeing a continuation towards the upside getting created here. But before really expecting that here, to be very honest, I need to see a breakthrough of this range of course over here. So you can clearly see over here, this has been a pretty strong resistance box here. Like you can see, previous support, resistance, support, support/resistance, support, resistance, resistance, resistance. So this is a particularly strong level of resistance, but what we have been seeing, so we have been forming an upper sloping support line. So it looks to be maybe that we could be forming either an ascending triangle, or yeah, so if we are going to come down from this level and we're going to retest the lows here, this is of course going to be still in the bullish continuation pattern that we're currently forming. So I look forward towards what we're going to get from this point, but I'm extremely excited by Ethereum, especially because if we're going to think towards 2022 here, 2022 is going to be the year that Ethereum is going to be, yeah, launching their next major update here. Of course, there are going to come more updates before that, but of course, in 2022, we do know that like the proof of stake will be take over, so the proof of work removal will be there, aka the merge, and what will be once again a result in Ethereum becoming a completely deflationary asset. And of course, it will be as well the world's biggest deflationary asset out there of the whole industry. So if you want to be making a good investment, in my opinion, I'm going to be looking towards Ethereum, because especially in 2021, Ethereum is going to be the coin to watch here, in my opinion. I have said it several times before. I think in 2022, either there could be a flip happening, or either what in 2022 at least is going to be happening. Right now, Ethereum is approximately 50% of the market share of Bitcoin. I think it's at least going to creep up towards levels of 70 to 80% here. Of course, not even over it, of course. So I'm looking forward towards 2021 here. Sorry, 2022. I mean, these years are pretty confusing me right now, but they're going to be very exciting days ahead of ourselves here. As well for the 1 hour candles on Ethereum, yeah, of course we broke the 3971 here, retested support, since then saw a continuation up here. Right now, major resist target to break here for Ethereum is going to be the 4175. As soon as we're closing in towards the level, it's going to be having this bullish edge here. But guys, right now we're quickly going to be witnessing the Bitcoin chart here, because right now, in literally 30 seconds from now on, guys, we're going to close the 1 hour candle. And guys, if you want to be seeing this 1 hour candle close with me, do not forget to leave. Please don't leave for the coming 30 seconds here. But while you're down there, guys, I see we're running 30 minutes live here. Do not forget to smash up that like button. I mean, we're right now having almost 200 likes, only 6 likes away before slapping it up towards 200 likes here. So if you haven't already smashed up that like button, make sure to do so. And of course, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure to do so as well, because right now, I've not even seen this, we're only 4 subscribers away before smashing it up towards 73.7k subscribers. So if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe right now. That will be truly amazing, of course, because only 3 right now. I'm getting crazy. I'm getting absolutely crazy. So only 3 subscribers to go, guys. Let's see if we can reach this target. And I will be saying to you guys already, if we can reach the 73.8k today live on the stream, I will be doing another $100 giveaway live on the stream, guys. So of course, for once again proof, I mean, like over here as well, I always give away, these giveaways are not fake or whatsoever. I can literally go over all my messages, I just got it, you're such a legend, here, like, oh my gosh, great, thanks. Transaction, oh, thank you so much, got 480. It's like, so many people are, of course, so happy that they won the giveaway. And of course, if you want to be winning some money today, make sure to slap up that subscribe button, because if we're going to reach the 73.8k today here, I'm going to do another giveaway live on the stream, guys. So I'm going to give away another $100 towards a lucky follower. So of course, I told everyone out there, if we're going to reach our daily targets from now on every single day in the stream, I'm just going to do a giveaway every single day. Because why are we doing giveaways, let's say, only 2 or 3 times a month? Well, we can just do them as well every single day, so I can make more people happy. So that's a very good thing to know here. By the way, 20k Ethereum, lol. I mean, I think that's not, I think some people are right now laughing that 20k Ethereum is a stupid target, but I don't think so. I don't think so, because if you just think ahead of yourself what it is going to be doing with this update, I think a lot of people don't understand what Ethereum is about to do in next year. Next year, like right now, Ethereum still has a supply growth of, let me set it on all. Right now, Ethereum has still a supply growth of 1.8% a year. Next year, we will, once the merge comes out here, have a deflation of 2.4% a year. So right now, we have still inflation on Ethereum of 1.8% a year. Next year, it will be minus 2.4% a year. I think few will realize that, of course, a lot of people still don't know that this merge will be having such big of an effect on the network. But of course, the people that do their research, the people that do know what is going to be happening in the market, the people that do their research basically on the updates that Ethereum is going to be bringing out, etc., do know it's going to be a very exciting journey that we're heading towards. So it's going to be a very exciting few days that we're going to be having here for Ethereum. And especially this the merge upgrade will be making Ethereum deflationary. It will be even incentivize holders even more to hold on the token. It will be, of course, as well with the update with the merge, it will be lower transaction fees, upgrade the scalability, more transactions a second. So more projects will be as well getting built in Ethereum. Ethereum, the network will be, of course, be extremely big. Of course, right now what we do see in the market, and the reason why we do see these coins like Avalanche, like Solana, like Cardano pumping, and like Polkadot pumping, and like Binance coin pumping, is because they're taking the market share that belongs to Ethereum. Because the market share of BNB, market share of Cardano, market share of Avalanche, market share of all these tokens, MATIC as well, they basically belong towards Ethereum, because they are taking market share away from Ethereum, because they're solving an issue that Ethereum should be solving, you know? So as soon as Ethereum does solve this issue, what is going to be happening with Ethereum? There's going to be a lot of money flowing towards those. And a reason why, I mean, nowadays I don't I don't hold any Solana anymore. I do still hold Solana, but I mean, I've been distributing my Solana already above the $200 significantly. Have been saying it as well over there. I've been buying into Solana at $40, not the best buy. I know that because there were people that bought like on $3 or whatsoever. But for me on still, I mean, I've been distributing all my Solana. I've been accumulating more Ethereum because I want to be making an investment that's going to be pay myself good off in 5 years from now on. And I think that Solana, yeah, could be a decent investment for the coming 5 years. But if we're going to look at right now at the valuations, which coin is going to be doing the biggest multiplier of all the cryptos, I think it's going to be Ethereum in the top 10 if we're talking, of course. So I do not think that as well, Binance coin is going to have a harder time here as soon as Ethereum is going to be coming out with their update. And of course, the longer Ethereum will be delaying their update. So let's say right now it got delayed towards begin summer 2022 here. If they're going to delay it another time, I can tell you already what's going to happen. I think that Solana, the BNB, all those tokens are going to be once again see a further increase in valuation. So I look forward towards how it's going to be playing out here, but I think not holding Ethereum is going to be something irresponsible in your portfolio. Maybe it's not going to pump today, maybe it's not going to pump tomorrow, but if we're going to look at, is it a good investment for, let's say, the coming 2 years? Or, like, I mean, some people make investments in crypto and they think, indeed, Near protocol is pumping, we will be checking all your coins. I will be still going over Sand as well, some other coins, but I mean, some people that like invest in crypto and they think, okay, I'm going to become rich tomorrow. That's not how you should be standing in crypto. That's not how it works here. If you invest in crypto, I should always have a long-term view. I mean, how I invest in crypto, I mean, I invested in 2016 for the first time in crypto, but in 2020, I first became a millionaire. So for me, it as well took myself 4 years. And I think that everyone, I say 2021, I mean, not 2020, 2021, but for everyone out there, if you want to become extremely rich with crypto, don't think on the short term. Of course, you could be buying some altcoins that can make you 100x. Those are very good, you know. But eventually, your majority of your portfolio has to be in long-term investments, like Bitcoin, like Ethereum. I think, of course, there are a lot of other coins that are good long-term investments. But make sure that you're not going to sell and buy all the time along. Just put it on cold storage and just look at it in 5 years from now. And at least that's what I'm going to do. Everyone has their own strategy. Of course, no financial advice. You just have to do whatever you think you feel comfortable with, you know. So please, yeah, take that in consideration. So let me as well go real quickly over the price section of Luna, because that was a question we got in the beginning of the stream here. So Luna, absolutely smashing and absolutely melting faces right now here. Luna is, of course, doing an extremely good job here. Personally, still, I'm not the biggest fan of Luna here. Terra Luna is, of course, trading on P9 right now, 60% up this day, this week. Should I buy Luna right now is the question, maybe right now? Your question is maybe right now, should I buy Luna? No, I think it's a very bad buy right now. It's an extremely bad buy, to be very honest. Right now, of course, it was not a bad buy before, but right now it is. So I think that's a thing to take in consideration. Of course, it's trading above a lot of these important moving averages, so that's of course looking particularly good here. On the 4-hourly candle, yeah, it's still looking pretty decent. It's still looking, it's going very quickly in its trend towards the upside, but it is creating on the 1 hour already a lot of bearish divergence. Like you can see here, the trends indicator, you can see a lot of bearish momentum is currently getting formed here on the money flow index, storage RSI, wave trend, and RSI. So yeah, it is increasing very quickly in its valuation, but indeed it is a little bit overextended right now. And of course, as soon as we do see a red candle after this daily candle close, as soon as we do see this daily candle close over here, basically, we're going to as well form a bearish divergence on the RSI, money flow index, storage RSI, and wave trend. So that's of course still a thing that's yet confirmed, because yeah, if Luna today is going to shoot up towards, let's say, to $120, it's not going to form this bearish divergence. But please take into consideration that the risk is most certainly increasing, and I should never buy into coins that are exponentially growing, right? So if you're buying every single time in tokens that are exponentially growing, you're not going to do a good job, in my opinion. You're going to do a very bad job, in my opinion, basically. So take that in consideration. Of course, do your own research on those kinds of things here. But buying into tokens that are extremely overextended, like Luna is right now, is, in my opinion, like something like you do want to be losing money, you know. So please don't ask me, should I buy Luna right now, because that's a stupid question, in my opinion. Of course, the lows are getting more exponential, but like everyone does know here, the faster chart increase towards the upside, the faster it can come down as well here. So yes, I'm not saying Luna's topped out here. Luna can easily go towards $200 or whatsoever, but do take in consideration you're in exponential rally, and is it worth to take the risk right now for the potential reward? That's the question. So no, I'm staying away from it right now here. So Member for Life is asking us, okay, check Sand and XRP. Let me go over Sandbox real quickly. First of all, I can't type anymore. I don't know what's happened here. But Sandbox, of course, I've been saying it several times before. I think Sandbox was a little bit overextended here, as well, parabolic run up, and we were creating on the daily time frame, like you can see in the momentum indicator, several bearish divergence. So trend really losing its strength strength here, and that was of course a pretty bearish buy signal that we did got on the market. Right now I want to be looking at the lower time frames that we currently can see over here. So right now the movement towards the upside, the storage RSI has been losing momentum while price actually keeps increasing in its valuation. Regular bearish divergence are getting formed here, but yeah, since Bitcoin is moving up, we're moving up as well here. All the moving averages on the 1 hour candles are looking bullish. That's the reason why it's green right now. So that's of course as well particularly bullish signal that we're currently getting on this market. So if we're looking to the 4 hourly time frame on Sandbox still has not been really setting higher highs here. I do think, like I said several times before, I think the hype around the gaming sector is a little bit ending right now here, and that's the reason why Sandbox and Decentraland are not just continuously keep pushing up and up and up and up. So take that into consideration as well. Like Gala as well, this token is as well very down because the gaming hype is right now a little bit at its end stages. And of course, like we do know in cryptocurrencies, in altcoins, we do know that we every single time have a period where all like gaming tokens are exploding, then there are exchange tokens exploding, then we have DeFi tokens exploding, and of course last 2 months it was the gaming tokens. And right now I do think we are at the end of this cycle. So I look forward towards what's going to be happening, but Percy, yeah, the majority of the people that are always like people are always buying in towards these extreme big hype run-ups here, and I said it already several times in this rally that Sand got created as well, Decentraland and like Gala as well. I think Gala is a very good project. I think that you should still look in towards, because I think Gala has a lot of potential as well. Sandbox has a lot of potential, but maybe not for the coming 6 months here. It has a lot of potential, Sandbox. I think the project is extremely good here, but maybe not for the coming 6 months here. I do not think that necessarily has to pump here again here. Maybe it could take a long time for a reaccumulation phase on Sandbox because it pushed up so quickly and a lot of these gaming projects. But the question that we should be asking ourselves right now here, if we want to be making a bunch of money, is what is going to be the next hype? What is going to be the next big hype thing here? Are going to be, someone is saying decentralized organizations? Is it going to be DeFi again? Because last year around, this was the time that the DeFi trend started. Is it going to be Oracle networks? Is it going to be privacy coins? We don't know yet. We don't know yet. Is it going to be exchange tokens again? So we're going to be looking forward towards that right now here. But yeah, right now I do not necessarily think it's going to be the best buy that you could be making over here. I think you could be ready to look at where the next hype run up is about to get started. So XRP once again doing a particularly good job. 96 cents. XRP has like a massive rally towards the upside right now here. And to be very honest, XRP is right now trading against resistance. Like you can see, green box. Not green box, the green line, upper sloping resistance line, provided this resistance and support several times before. Right now, so far, again, providing us resistance. So take that in consideration. XRP trading against resistance. So important to know. Weekly time frame for XRP bouncing very strongly off the weekly support so far. So have been saying it several times before. XRP has been trading in a massive consolidation pattern on the weekly time frame. It has been right now seeing a very strong bounce towards the upside. So I'm looking forward towards what we're going to be having from up this point here. So I think Web3 tokens, Web3 is next. I mean, that's a very good one because the Web3 hype is really getting started again here. I definitely do agree with that one as well. I think Web3 has there's a lot of potential here right now here with those tokens, what it is going to do here. What are good Web3 tokens, guys? Let me know what you guys think are good Web3 tokens. I can give you my best Web3 tokens here. So I personally think like Web3 tokens are going to do very good here. I mean, it's really doing a very, very strong job here. And if I say it correctly, let me quickly check up here. Polkadot is as well Web3 focus, right? I don't know if, yeah, they have industry. Yeah, their industry is Web3. So Polkadot is indeed a Web3 token. And you can see, yeah, on the past week, it has been climbing back up here. So a token that will do good here if the Web3 hype starts here is Polkadot. Like we do have HNT. I think this one will be the biggest gainer out of them. Oh, look at this. It's already going, of course. It's already going, but still, it's a 3 billion market cap. Could easily still do an 10x from here on. So, Helium could be doing very good here in the coming months ahead of ourselves. And then we're talking about the coming 2 months here in terms of altcoins. Because, yeah, Web3 tokens, yeah, tend to do it very good here. This is let me quickly see. Let me see what your guys' the favorite coins are. Ace. Flux. Dot is the best indeed. Flux. Let me quickly check up on Flux. I never heard about the token. Flux. Is this as well Web3 token or not? No, yeah, it's indeed a Web3 token. So also pretty low market cap here. But yeah, like you can see, it had this massive first spike, you know. So I think Web3 tokens could be having a lot of potential. And guys, right now what we should be doing here is that we have to be finding as a channel, we have to be finding these next altcoins. We have to be finding the next altcoins and the next sector that's going to be exploding. Because I just explained to you guys out there, we do know in the cryptocurrency space, in the altcoin space right now, we see sectors exploding every single time. Then we see the gaming sector, you know, then we see this sector, then we see that sector, then we see DeFi. And could it be Web3 next year? I think yes, because Web3 has a lot of potential. I'm not necessarily saying it has to happen, but the chance is extremely high that Web3 will be the next major hype run up. And we're saying this right now, recording this on the 22nd of December 2021, guys. And we think as a channel that Web3 could be the next big hype run up here in the cryptocurrency industry. So maybe I can use this anytime soon here in the future. Once we are, of course, trading with Flux on $20. No, just kidding. But yeah, it could be, of course, a very big hype run up. I mean, guys, after this stream here, I will be we'll be doing as well some extra research myself as well on what are very good ones. Icon is as well one someone is trying right now. I think Icon is as well a pretty good one in terms of a project, but it's not a Web3 token at all. Everyone is trying their tokens. Engine coin is not Web3, but yeah, as well having a particularly massive run up, of course, right? So yeah, let me see what we're going to be having here. Band is a very good, Band protocol is a very good token. I definitely do agree with it. As well, pretty low market capitalization token. Like you can see, it's standing so low, it's crazy. Band protocol, of course, has a lot of potential in my opinion. Of course, as well, they are working together with Chainlink as well, if I say it correctly. So yeah, very excited about it, how it's going to be working here. Decentralized Oracle, of course, it's a competitor of Chainlink. It's not working together with Chainlink, competitor of Chainlink. So very interesting about how it's going to be working and how it's going to be performing here, Brand Protocol. But like, this is a good coin because, I mean, I look forward towards it. I look very much forward towards it. Commons ecosystem and Web3 token. So hopefully it will be performing very good. I mean, it was trading on $20, and right now it's trading on $5 over here right now, guys. So make sure to keep trying your suggestions, because you know what I'm going to do afterwards. After this stream is done here, I will be, of course, doing my more research on even better Web3 tokens that are very low market cap gems, because I'm going to take more positions in them as well. After I did have done more research, of course, never blindly buy into something. But if Web3, let's say, is going to be the next big hype thing here, well, we can right now see get started here. It could be very big here, because we could make some very easy 10x's. We could be making some very easy 20, 30x's, you know, and I look forward towards it. I look forward towards playing the hype with the whole community over here on the channel. And yeah, guys, let's just make a bunch of money together, you know. So while you guys as well watching right now to the stream here, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Like, of course, already told to you guys out there, if we can reach the 73.8k today, I will be giving in $100 to one lucky viewer out there right now. So do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and of course like the video as well if you haven't already, because if you're going to like the video right now, yeah, you will be of course help me out massively. You will be helping out the whole cryptocurrency industry, basically, because the more people smashing up that like button, the more people will be getting exposed to crypto as well. So make sure to smash up that like button right now, because that's going to be absolutely amazing. It's going to be absolutely amazing. Rover, should we wait on the retest for Bitcoin? I think yes. I think if you want to be opening a trade on Bitcoin, like I said already several times before, wait for a breach through of the 49.6k. And as soon as we do break the 49.6k, you want to be seeing a clear 1 hour candle close above, and then on the retest you could be opening your position, and then you could be sending it towards take profit. Like, let's say if we're going to be breaking above, if we're going to close a 1 hour candle above of this range, a clear close above it, let's say towards the 50k, you could be opening your long trade with, of course, a potential target around the 51.8k with of course a very small tight stop loss, and you could be taking, of course, quick trade for 4.4% reward against 1% loss here. So that could be, of course, a very strong setup. As soon as Bitcoin does close a candle above this, you could be taking this setup towards the upside, of course. So yeah, looking forward towards how it's going to be playing out. But indeed, it could be a very strong trading opportunity. But in order to see that trading opportunity occur, we first have to see an increase in valuation. So Beck is also saying near ecosystem best way development 2.0. So near ecosystem, of course, is pretty crazy. Of course, as well. I mean, near protocol has just been doing very strong here. It has been performing very well here in the recent days. And of course, Buxoff, I almost forgot to discuss near protocol, of course. But yeah, near protocol has been performing outstandingly. It has been forming outstanding. It's absolutely crazy. It's absolutely crazy how it has been performing. Of course, like 4 or 5 days ago, it has been seeing this major wick here. Came down 45%, but of course, it was just a one big buy order that flew in towards the market. But right now, Near Protocol in the recent days, recent hours has been pushing up again here. And of course, if you look at the lows, we've been seeing a 20% surge approximately. But basically what we can say over here is that this token over here, it has been forming a W structure. So what you can clearly see over here on this market, it has been forming a low over here, higher low over here. While it has been doing so, it has been forming a W structure on the market. And W structure breaking out towards the upside right now, looking towards the continuation, getting formed towards the upside from this point. So yeah, I am very much looking forward towards where Near Protocol is heading towards. But since seeing this W structure getting broken out here, at least we should be expecting a further continuation up here, and at least we should be expecting after retest, or even though already right now that we are going to be visiting levels around the $11 again. So of course, in a movement down here back towards the red box of support could be of course providing a very good support buy here, and you could be get maybe a very good entry potentially in here. But otherwise, yeah, this is looking particularly good, like a very good opportunity, and Near Protocol is doing a very strong job here on the recent days here. So yeah, I'm very much looking forward towards how it's going to be playing out right now. As well, we're quickly going to give an update here. Let me go to the 3-day time frame here. Quickly going to give you guys an update here on the total market capitalization of crypto. Of course, what we have been seeing over here on the recent days here has been a pretty interesting journey, you know. So total market capitalization of the crypto market has been forming another higher low here eventually, like we can see over here. So we form resistance from all-time high, resistance again. We break above it, and right now we're flipping it into support. So this is an extremely important and an extremely bullish retest we're currently getting in the market, in my opinion. Of course, we distributed an approximately 36%, aka 1 trillion out of the market. What is particularly crazy, we could say here. But of course, since the lows, of course, in the market that we formed here, like the low from here on towards the highs over here, we've been already seeing an inflow of 250 billion US dollars. So that's pretty crazy. But so far it looks to be that we're curving back around towards the upside, and of course I definitely can't wait to see where the coming days are right now finally heading towards, and where this could be bringing us towards, of course, for Bitcoin. But yeah, so far it still looks to be that we're getting a rejection by the highs here. What we do not, of course, like to see here, because we would love to see this level getting broken. Let's visit some higher targets, right? So let's see where we're heading towards in the coming hours ahead of ourselves. Hello from Miss Migits. I mean, I'm so bad with pronouncing stuff here, but I know it's in the USA. Thank you for everything. You're a legend. Thank you so much for tuning in towards the stream here. I mean, it's always lovely to hear once people say you're a legend. Let me go over some other coins. Can you check render? Landgenoot. Of course I can, my man. So Render, of course, currently has been seeing a significant increasement in its valuation, right? So first of all, Render starts to be pushing up very quickly. Then it came down in the November correction. November correction was because of the stock market coming down. Stock market came down in the beginning end of November, beginning December. Since the reversal of Bitcoin really has started, we have been as well seeing and a significant increasement on Render. So that's lovely to see here. And before going further in towards it, I see someone asking me in the chat here, hey, will you be streaming the VLaunch later? Yes, I will. If you go to YouTube, type in Crypto Rover VLaunch, I think. I don't know if you can find it. Yeah, you can see it over here. I scheduled already this stream over here. So later today, of course, in 4 hours from now on, I will be streaming this token launch here. So I am I'm looking forward towards what we're going to get from off this point here. But I'm looking forward towards the VLaunch token launch live here, because yeah, I mean, I don't think that anyone is going to stream it on whole YouTube. So I think, yeah, why just not stream it together with you guys, so we can just have a discussion and see how it's going to be performing, and let's just see on how it's like going to be performing like on the launch. I mean, I think it could be potentially do 100 ticks on launch day. So yeah, for everyone out there still interested in this token, I will be not go too much in depth about it right now here, because I will be going in depth about it on the stream. VLaunch, extremely exciting project, is going to be getting launched here anytime soon here. It's going to get launched today, and it's going to be launched in 4 hours from now on. If you do want to join this, and of course potentially buy this on the launch date, join us with the stream later today, and of course it will be getting listed on Femex. Of course, you can find the if you want to be as well trade this token, go to Femex here in the link description, because it will be getting listed on Femex, and over there you could be buy this token as well. So if you want to be checking it out, go to the link in the description, sign up your account on Femex. What I should be doing right now, if you are interested in buying VLaunch later today, set up your account on Femex already, because if you're right now going to set up your account on Femex, you could be still participate in the launch. Because if you're maybe too late, if you want to be joining us with I'm going to be buying some tokens as well on the launch. If you want to be joining us, and if you're going to set up your account in like 1 hour before the launch, I think you're maybe too late here, because you just will have to send some funds, So check up Femex here in the link description, sign up your account already, make sure that you have something in your account, because otherwise you're going to be too late. Because yeah, probably I have been doing prediction. Of course, later today we're going to do some more predictions. I think it could be easily do, let's say 50x to 100x on this launch day. So I'm very curious about how it's going to be playing out. I think initial launch price is 3 cents or so. I don't know exactly how much, but I'm looking forward towards how it is heading, where it is heading towards on the launch date. Hopefully it could be seeing a significant increasement in its valuation. How much is the greed and fear? How much is the fear and greed index? Let me quickly check up on it. Fear and greed index is definitely cooling off to neutral state. Yeah, neutral stages right now. It's still in fear. The fear is still ruling in the market. But it is closing in towards the neutral stages. So that is pretty interesting to see, of course. So in the last 3 months, like you can see over here, we have been in this lower stage here. Right now, we're going back to neutral stages. So people are becoming more excited again about the market. So that's, of course, pretty interesting to see here. But still, fear is ruling. But yeah, let's see how it's going to be playing out here. Femex. Americans pronounce it like Femex. So yeah, if you want to be checking out Femex here in the description, I say Femex. But if you want to be buying this token, check out Femex in the link in the description here, because if you're going to sign up over there, first of all, you'll be getting a nice bonus, but second of all, you will be able to buy the token, and because it's only going to get launched over there. They are going to get listed on other exchanges, but as well on Femex. So Femex, excuse me. So yeah, if you do want to be buying the token later today, just check out Femex in the description here, and set up your account already. But yeah, that's not a thing that we're going to talk about today, because we're going to talk about that on the later stream, of course. I got 975 VPET tickets. What does one ticket mean? I've not got any tickets whatsoever. Do you think we will be able to get it for 0.03? It's super hyped up. I don't think so. I think that right away. I mean, if you're fast enough, I'm trying to go in and get in for a market buy, So I personally think it's going to be a very hard job by market buying the 0.03. I think there are going to be a lot of bots like that are going to be buying it up very quickly. So it's very nice that it's getting listed first on Femex, because there are not necessarily a lot of bots, of course, because those are going to get blocked over there. Because if it's going to get listed on Uniswap or whatsoever first, it just has more bots here. So it's going to be a very interesting one. There are going to be a lot of buying. I think the volumes, I mean, guys, I'm very curious about how the volumes are going to be on those exchanges. I'm just so curious how it is going to be. When does it launch? It launches in 4 hours and 30 minutes from now on. But in 4 hours from now on, we're going to go and jump live here on the channel to discuss the last 30 minutes before the launch, of course. So let's see what we're going to be having over here. Bro, should I keep my position open? SA, I didn't know what your entry or whatsoever is, man. Tell me more about it. Tell me more about it. You can't buy the market in the first 5 minutes of the market open. You can't buy. Oh, I was not aware about the here. Do you know the market cap of VPET? I think it's going to be. I don't know exactly, to be honest. I mean, literally, I don't know somewhere. I think it was 1 million or so or whatsoever. But that's, I don't know if it's like 1 million fully diluted market cap, or if it's going to be 1 million initial market cap. That's going to be the question, because fully diluted, then it could be easy to, let's say, 500x, whatsoever. But if it's going to be if it's going to be, let's say, initial market cap 1 million, yeah, it's going to be most likely to maybe 50 to 100x, you know, or maybe even more. 377 million volume on Bitcoin this hour. So much sell pressure. I mean, yeah, indeed, that's pretty crazy. How big of a volume is in this candle? That's pretty high. I have to admit that. How do you buy it? Yeah, I mean, if you want to be checking out checking out the token VLaunch, you just have to sign up here on Femex and link the description. Because it will be getting listed on Femex. And of course, subscribe to the channel as well, because later today, we're going to be, of course, doing a stream. And we're going to be talking about the launch here, the token launch. And I'm going to be trying to scoop up some extra tokens here while we're going to start here, of course. Well, the token is going to go live. Entry on Ethereum, 3700 8x. I mean, it's a pretty good entry, to be very honest, man. Do you know about the 1 million extra on $200? Buy for first at 10k people. I don't know at all. I don't know at all, man. I already told you market dump is on its way. I mean, market dump is not. I mean, you already told us. I mean, this is an $100 candle down. So I mean, I don't really agree with like there's going to be a market movement down here. Of course, everything can happen, and of course, I will be I will be not necessarily say, okay, we only can go up here. That's not a thing that I do like here to say. But what we can look at right now is like either a continuation towards the upside, so a breakthrough of this resist box is going to be extremely bullish here on Bitcoin, because yeah, this is just a critical resistance that is currently holding us back, of course. But it doesn't necessarily mean we have to get rejected. We could be as well see a breakthrough. So I will be just playing it slow. I will be not only anticipate one scenario, I will be taking both scenarios for granted. Hey Dan, what's the best and cheapest way to send a coin from a coin to VMAX from Binance? The bakery. What I should do here is I should convert some tokens in Litecoin. You convert those tokens in Litecoin, and you send your Litecoins to VMAX. Because Litecoin has extremely low transaction fees, and it's very quickly. So they have Litecoin over here, so you can just search up your Litecoin wallet and send it to. If you want to deposit some money from Binance to VMAX, use Litecoin. In my opinion, Litecoin is very good because transaction fees are extremely low, and it just saves you a lot of money, of course. And I mean, you pay maybe for the transaction from Binance to VMAX, you pay like 6 cents or 7 cents. So that's the best way to send your money to here, in my opinion. But of course, always do your own research about that one as well. So yeah, I'm looking very much forward towards it, how it's going to be playing out here. I'm very much looking forward towards how it's going to be playing out. My TV. What do you mean? Alan Pellet, what do you mean? Do you mean my trading view? I'm not going to right away send it to everyone because you just donate. So it will come eventually. Just give it a second. Let me know what you mean. My TV, or you mean my Telegram? My trading view. Okay, Dan. Thank you. I will send like. I mean, that's the best thing to do. So you could also just use the tether with Tron network. It's like $1. I mean, yeah, that's true. But depending in like, does VMAX accept the Tron network? That is not a thing that I exactly know here, you know. So that's important to know here. I've always used Litecoin to move between exchanges. I mean, it's very nice. I mean, Litecoin works very good for me at least. Let me know what you guys are using. Do you use Litecoin as well? Trading view, yeah. But bro, I will be not send the indicator to everyone who just donates, because that's not fair in my opinion. So it will become later. It will become later today in the stream here that will be give away the indicator. Bro, the contra bear tweeted your indicators live. What is he saying? I don't know. That's not true. Let me see. No, he didn't. He didn't. Let me see what we can discuss right now. Dump incoming, I disagree. Not necessarily, we're just going to anticipate what's going to be happening. Morpheus network, let me quickly go over Morpheus network. Morpheus network, $2.22 here right now. Of course, today it has been increasing 15% here, so that's of course particularly nice rally that we did got over here. To be very honest, this is a very solid rally that we did got. So I'm, yeah, very very happy to see this this increasement in valuation. Morpheus network. I mean, it was a pretty cheap buy here around those $2 ranges again. It was even below the $2, so that's particularly crazy, of course, that we did saw that. Morpheus network being trading so low here. Morpheus network is still a token that I do think that like this is as well. This Morpheus network token has this potential to literally do in a 10 to 20x, of course. So I look forward towards how it's going to be playing out here. I'm very very excited here. I'm very excited. Where can I buy VBIT? You can buy it on Femex, and you can find Femex in the link in the description. So Morpheus network, extremely exciting. What we currently can see here, 35% up today. I mean, that's a pretty crazy buy. I mean, I was not even aware it was up so much here. But yeah, if you did buy the dip here, yeah, congratulations, you made very good profits. Let me see. Today, when buying VBIT, how fast do you figure the price can jump up at 14 UTC? Limit orders will be hard to grab. James, I think we're going to look at the 1 minute candles, and those 1 minute candles are going to look like yearly candles, bro. In terms of the volume, probably. So I think the coming first 2-3 hours are going to be extremely interesting. I mean, I've been doing myself. I always like if I invest in tokens. If those kinds of very high projects come out here, I like to look at the initial launch here of the token, and usually the volatility on those tokens are extremely high here, and I think it's going to be exactly the same for VBIT. Of course, as soon as the token goes live here, no one is going to have any influence anymore. It's are just going to be the traders that are going to be determining the market where it's heading towards, you know. So I mean, I'm very curious. I think it could easily jump up towards, let's say, 60 cents or so very quickly. I think so for sure. So I look forward towards it. I just take VBIT after the purchase on Femex. You can send your like if you purchase your VBIT on Femex, you can send it to your MetaMask. If you send it to your MetaMask, or if you're just holding it on your MetaMask, you could send it, of course. You could stake it on their platform. So yeah, you could buy it initially on Femex, but eventually, yeah, you could send it to your MetaMask or whatsoever to, of course, further on accumulate over there as well. But for everyone who easily want to be buying into the token, it's easy to be buying it on Femex, of course. So that's the reason why I do say that. So yeah, I'm looking forward towards it. How it's going to be playing out over here. I'm looking very much forward towards it. How it's going to be playing out. So yeah, exciting. Very exciting times, guys. Very exciting times. I mean, today is a pretty big day for that one, at least. So every day is special here in the space, and today it's VBIT. So a lot of people talking about it. Even if we don't pump, we get closer to the resistance line. I mean, indeed. Let's just wait and see. Of course, Bitcoin coming down to 49K again. Let's see what we're going to get. Hopefully, the volatility is going to be turning up anytime soon here. How many hours do you spend looking at crypto every day? I mean, like Team G yesterday tweeted about it. Like, crypto kills phone batteries, and that's true. Crypto does kill every single day my phone battery. But second of all, how many hours a day? I think like 10 hours a day, approximately 8 hours or 10 hours, maybe more. I think basically you're always busy with it 24/7, but like it feels like a hobby, and it feels like something I like to do, so it doesn't feel so bad, you know. So basically the whole day, I mean, while lunching, I have my iPad open with the Bitcoin chart. That's once I'm not at work, you know. Once I'm with my friends hanging out, I check my phone every single 15 minutes to see what the market is trading on, so I can respond on it as soon as possible. So, I mean, I think 24/7, man. But if I mean, like if you like include as well working on yourself, like going to the gym and doing some that kind of stuff, it's definitely 14 hours a day or so. So I mean, I love to do it. I think crypto is life. For me, crypto is indeed life, because without crypto, my life is. I've got nothing to do here. I've got nothing to do. Let me see. Ascending triangle on the 1 hour candle. Yeah, we could be looking for a potential ascending triangle here. Could be for sure do so. But I mean, not my most favorite one as well. I do not think the horizontal resistance is significant enough, you know, like here. So it's upper sloping. But indeed, yeah, we could be potentially looking for an upper sloping support line. Depending on where this 1 hour candle is going to close, of course. Yeah, I look forward towards it, where we're heading towards from this point. But Bitcoin dipping below the 49K right now, guys. So as well, let me quickly put up a poll here. What happens first for Bitcoin? Because I'm very curious about what you guys think here. $50K or 48K, guys. Let me know in the chat. What do you think happens first here? 48K or 50K? I think it's going to be a very interesting one. It's going to be a very close call. So make sure to vote in the poll. I'm very curious. Exchanges go 24/7 nonstop. I mean, the market is as well 24/7. So we don't really have a choice to be stopping, you know. So do you trade the whole day? No, not necessarily trading the whole day, but I take my eyes out on the market the whole day. I mean, I've never lose my attention. I don't necessarily trade all day. I monitor the whole day. That's what I do. Bro, did you take profits? Because your size was 700K. Arian, I've got 2 trading positions. I've got 1 trading position over here. That was the swing trade we built up all together. And that 700K trade I did open was on a private account, but there was not a swing trade, but it wasn't a scalp trade. So yeah, that scalp trade I already closed. I took profits on that trade, and of course locked in approximately what was it, 25,000 or 30,000? But yeah, it was pretty good profits that I quickly made, of course, on the market. So yeah, that one I already closed here. But this one is still open, of course. But that's my private trade. I mean, I don't share every single trade I take here on the market because sometimes it could become... I mean, some people like if I do something, they are going to copy me or whatsoever. And I think with scalp trades, it's very hard for people to understand here. For I think 40 or 50% of the people understand, but like the other 50% of the people are going to get confused and have to be explaining that the whole time about certain things there. And of course, if I hit my stop loss or whatsoever. So yeah, that's what my scalp trading account here. So that was a pretty good trade. I did took over there because yeah, I opened it of course on the 45.8K, 46K. So that was a very solid trade that we did took over there, of course. So yeah, looking forward towards it where this one is right now heading towards this major swing trade position. And of course, I look forward towards it. I look forward towards it. So US 500, by the way, guys, the stock market important to look at. Stock market has been forming a higher low on the bigger scale, has been forming an new all-time high lately as well here. So the stock market is looking particularly strong here, to be honest. But right now, yeah, we have been bouncing back very strongly yesterday. Of course, the beginning of the week, end of last week and beginning of this week, we came down massively. So it's going to be pretty important to see right in this continuation back up here. The speed, of course, that we already saw the significant bounce, and of course, the stock market is basically moving down right now because of the Omicron or the new virus variant, you know. So I do think that's going to be ending anytime soon here, because yeah, usually the market tends to have an overreaction once such kind of a new variant comes out here. So I think this is an overreaction of the market, overreaction of the governments. So I'm very curious about how it's going to be further playing out from up this point here. But guys, by the way, look at this. Look at this asset. Look, it's doing so good. It's doing so good. It's crazy. Like, these people became so rich because of this. But yeah, let's see how it's going to be performing like. But personally, I do think stock market in general will be having a little bit more of its bullish edge here as soon as it's going to be opening today here. So I look forward towards it. Yo, let's go. Be straight, of course, guys. Why not? So you said it's going up. You're going to cover my long. I mean, I've never said it has to go up right now. I mean, I've been calling a market reverse for a while here. I've been opening my trades on this range over here. Has it been a good accumulation range? Yes, it clearly has been a very good accumulation range. And do I expect the market is going to be eventually push up towards new all-time highs in, let's say, the coming 2 months ahead of ourselves? Yes, I do think so. I think that's very likely to expect here. And some people are maybe going to laugh like, oh, Bitcoin on 70K, that's funny. But Bitcoin on 70K is going to be happening rather sooner than later. So, yeah, I look forward towards it. The 70K new all-time high for Bitcoin is going to be inevitable. You can either accept it or you could either not accept it. But it's going to be inevitable, and it's going to be happening anytime soon here. So that's the reason why I'm in a swing trade position. I'm not going to swing trade the market because I expect the market is going to go down to 30k. No, why should I open a swing trade position if I expect market is going down to 20k? Why should I do so? I don't know. Because no, it's not likely to see the market going towards those levels. And of course, I think that if you're going to short a market, while you are seeing an extreme big amount of momentum divergence getting created here, like you can see over here, right? So we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 several divergence getting formed there on the momentum indicators, and you're going to short it. I mean, of course, everyone has their own strategy. I totally agree with it, but don't call me stupid if I'm longing this, because longing this this momentum shift right now in the market, well, price actually keeps going down here. Yes, we have been in a downtrend. We have been breaking the first downtrend already, but right now, these are very strong times for accumulation, in my opinion, because yes, we have been seeing this downtrend getting broken here. We are seeing several momentum divergence on several momentum indicators, basically. What is getting myself particularly bullish here? What is getting myself this bullish edge here on the market? That is for me a reason to be extremely bullish. And of course, yeah, you could be short the market while you're creating only bullish divergence on the market. That's for sure a strategy you could be utilizing. Yeah, you could be short the market right now because we're trading against resistance, and maybe Bitcoin is going to come down to 46k or 47k before going up here. But are you really going to take your short to 20k or 30k? You're going to get wrecked here. If you get to short the market right now, you're going to go and aim for targets on 30k. You're going to get wrecked for sure. So that's not part of my strategy. Everyone has their own strategy on the market, of course. But opening short right now and aiming for 20k. Well, guys, and this literally, well, we're seeing the funding rates being negative. So that basically means that the majority of the traders are right now in a short position because people are so bearish right now. There's so many people bearish right now that makes myself extremely bullish, because yeah, majority of the traders are bearish because that's the reason why the funding rates are negative, because funding rates are negative once there are more shorters and the longers don't have to cover the shorts. No, the shorters are covering the longs. So that is very, very nice to see right now here. And it's getting myself extremely bullish. I always say, do with the information whatever you want here. It's your thing here. You could do your own research. I think you're smart enough for that. Okay, that's very nice. Nice pop-up. But yeah, of course, do your own research. But funding rates being negative, clearly showing me the majority of the traders are right now in this this shorting position. Gets myself extremely bullish. So take your eyes wide open on this. Of course, what we can clearly see, by the way, here is that open interest has been rising in the past 3 days here. We've been seeing an approximately inflow of $2 billion in open interest, but while the open interest has been rising on the market, the funding rates has been going negative. So that's pretty interesting, to be very honest. Funding rates has been going negative again, but the open interest rised again. So that's pretty interesting, right? So as well, we have been seeing significant market push of 8% towards the upside, but the open interest that flew in towards the market was not the open interest that was giving the confidence back in towards the market, so people were going to go and long the market again. No, the 2 billion that got added in the market in terms of open interest was mainly going towards shorting positions. So people are once again looking and trying to get a short in. And that's, of course, a thing that we can see right now. Of course, we first of all see it in the fear and greed index. Second of all, we see it in like YouTube chats, etc. People are saying, oh, I need to short this or whatsoever, you know. It's because people are still afraid and people want to be seeing the market going lower because, yeah, they bought the top, they sold the bottom, and they want to be seeing the continuation getting formed right now. So cheers. Cheers, Mose Vienna. Absolutely absolutely lovely. So of course, on some exchanges it could be, of course, differently around here. Good luck with your trade, bro. I mean, thank you so much, Mose Vienna. I mean, hopefully it's going to be an absolutely legendary one. But of course, like I said several times before, what is going to be crucial for me, more people long than short, is what iSniper is saying. But iSniper, you have to know, I don't know if that's on every single exchange, but you have to know the funding rates are negative because not necessarily like there are more short traders in terms of quantity. So there is more dollar amount in quantity trading short than long. So not necessarily there have to be more short trades open than long trades. No, there's more quantity in short trades. So there's more money in short trades, and that's the reason why the funding rates are running negative. That's basically what it tells you. So of course, maybe short and long rates are in some other exchanges positive. Maybe long and short rates are on different exchanges again differently around, because yeah, Not every single exchange like Binance and BYBIT are neutral right now, but like FTX is negative, BitMEX is negative, YOBI is negative, and Neuralink is negative right now. So pretty cool. Will Christmas have a big effect on Bitcoin? I mean, last year around, it was a pretty positive time, right? So will Christmas have a big effect on Bitcoin? Like, let's just look at the last year, of course. Let's go. Oh wait, I'm going way back. So last time around here in December, Christmas had this sideways period. I mean, now Christmas was the pumpy time here last time around. So in Christmas here, 24th of December, we moved up here. And basically in the whole Christmas period, 24th to 26th, we moved up 15%. So last year around was bearish? No. Can be bearish this year? Yes. Does it necessarily have to be bearish? No. We're just going to be waiting and see how it's going to be playing out here. So let me see what we're going to have here. Ho ho Bitcoin, ho ho Christmas, whoa, ho ho Santa, Bitcoin to the moon. That's my Christmas present. I mean, I ask one thing from Santa, and that was of course Bitcoin to go to the moon here. That's the only thing I ask. The guys, by the way, do not forget to slap up the subscribe button, because I told everyone out there, as soon as we're going to reach the 73.8k subscribers on today's stream, I'm going to give away a $100 on the stream here to one lucky viewer. So right now we're watching with 1,000 of you guys out there, so the chance is relatively small, but still, if you're going to I'm going to do this every single day if we do reach our daily targets, and maybe one day you're going to get lucky, because yeah, we're going to do a random picker. So yeah, make sure to go guys, make sure to go and smash up the like button. Will be truly appreciated. But of course, subscribe to the channel as well if you do want to be getting this giveaway here, of course. So guys, by the way, let's smash it up as well towards 500 likes. I think we can easily do it. Will be truly amazing if you can slap it up right now here. But let's see if we can reach our daily target to give away another $100 to one lucky winner. Let me see. I can use the 100. Yeah, guys, slap it up, man. Slap it up. You guys are absolutely slapping it up like crazy. So that's of course amazing to see here. Subscribe, guys. That's pretty funny. Do you think the 1 hour and 4 hour divergence will be managing to be breaking this support on 48k? I mean, yeah, indeed, we are right now creating on the 1 hour, guys. By the way, we are right now. This is what the Rover Trends indicator tells us right now, guys. For everyone who doesn't know it yet, we are right now getting pretty bearish signals on the market. Right, we're getting in double regular bearish divergence on the market right now. We have a double regular bearish divergence on the MACD. We see a bearish divergence on the wave indicator, the wave trend indicator. We see a bearish divergence on the Storch RSI, and we saw a bearish divergence on the RSI. So could this lead towards a significant further continuation down? Yes. Is it likely to see Bitcoin right now come down maybe for a little bit further? I mean, the Rover Trends indicator right now tells us on the 1 hour candles, we're losing a lot of strength here. So what we could be seeing and expecting for Bitcoin is maybe push back to 48k, then cool off a little bit, and then continue our way up here. Just to maybe pull back towards 48k will be very likely, because 48k is going to be this level over here, right? So this green box over here could be very likely to be visiting before going up again. So pull back towards, let's say, 48k will be of course bullish to be longing as well. But yeah, what the Rover Trends indicator right now is telling us is that we are indeed losing a significant amount of momentum over here on the chart. So that's of course a little bit worrying, but of course it's on the 1 hour candle. So you see these movements down here. If we're losing momentum on these time frames, like the 1 hour candles, could be only be here for a few hours. So maybe the coming, let's say, 4 to 6 hours are going to be a little bit more of bearish hours here. So Bitcoin so far is still getting rejected, but of course seeing these bearish divergences getting formed here on the market could be leading towards a potential pullback. And of course I think 48k could be a target that we could be aiming for. It's as well this previous resistance target that could be then flipping into support. So what time is VPET launching Dutch time on VMAX? It's 3 o'clock here, 3 p.m. So in exactly 4 hours from now. And then of course, guys, for everyone who wants to be joining me with the VPET launch live here, go to my channel, subscribe to the channel right now, ring the bell notification, because on like in 4 hours from now on, we're going to do the VBIT live token launch here. So it's going to be absolutely amazing if you're going to be joining us with this stream here, because yeah, we will be live in 3.5 hours approximately. 3.5 hours we will be live over there. So like in 2.5 hours from now on, I'm going to just go for lunch here, and then we'll be back with the other stream, of course, over there. So losing momentum on the 2-hour candles as well. Let me quickly check up on that one as well. So 2-hour candles as well. Yeah, losing momentum, but not necessarily bearish divergence we're getting formed over there. 30-minute time frame as well. The Rover Trends indicator, we're forming a lot of bearish divergence. So right now, yeah, of course, I'm always realistic with you guys out there. We do see significant amount of momentum loss here on the MACD as well. Like you can see, we're forming over here. Over here, bearish divergence with another bearish divergence over here in the moving average, and together with all the other momentum indicators. So yes, I mean, I'm extremely bullish on Bitcoin. Yes, I am. I'm extremely bullish on it, but sometimes on the imminent short term, we could be going a little bit down before we're going to see further continuation up here. So likely to expect market having a little bit more sell pressure in the coming hour. And of course, targets that we could be aiming for. And of course, for everyone who hasn't already got its position open, or for everyone who's interested in maybe looking to accumulate new trading positions, in my opinion, if I'm going to just purely look towards the market right now, in my opinion, I think that 47.8k or 48k in general could be a very strong accumulation range once again for everyone out there. So if you do want to be trading the market as well, do not forget to check out here BYBIT here in the link description. BYBIT, first of all, is offering you right now a $4,100 deposit bonus, the biggest out there in the cryptocurrency history of exchanges, bonuses, etc. So do know that you want to be checking it out here, because that's extremely valuable to check out, of course, that one right now here. So of course, if you're going to sign up with BYBIT here, you will be getting that very nice bonus, and of course you will be able to trade the market, of course. And of course, so far Rover Trends has been predicting a very good momentum divergence, of course. And I'm right now giving this call to you guys out there as well, and let me know if someone please put in your trading view name here. Please, someone give your trading view name. Everyone, spam your trading view name in the chat right now, because if I will be just picking a random winner. And that one is going to be getting the first one, the Rover Trends indicator. So if you want to be having the Rover Trends indicator, I will be picking a few words. I will be picking a few of you guys here who can get the indicator here. So make sure to check it out here. If you want to be getting the indicator, make sure to throw your trading view name in it. So in other words, you're wrong. No, I'm not wrong. I've never said Bitcoin has to be breaking through here. I'm not only saying you right now, Bitcoin most likely going to be seeing a potential move down here because of the momentum divergence we're currently creating. And I've never said Bitcoin has to pump here. I only said Bitcoin is going to be going up here as soon as we do break the 49.4k barrier, of course. So let me see. Rover Trends available. I mean, most of it's not officially out here. No one has got it yet here. Only a few people that tested out for me here. But right now I'm going to give it away to some people every single time. And like in 2 or 3 days from now, and everyone can apply for it if you just follow the agreements, of course. So I'm going to pick a random winner right now here. I'm going to pick maybe more people later on here. So let me quickly. I'm not going to look, and I'm going to say stop, and I'm going to stop scrolling. And that's going to be the lucky winner. So who's going to be? It's going to be my screen is on that side, so that's the reason why I look. Okay, I say stop. So it's Mohit. I mean, Mohit is of course already someone who did a giveaway before. So I will real quickly add you to the indicator. I will be picking some more of you guys out there as well later today. Guys, don't worry. In like 2 or 3 days from now, and everyone will be able to use it. Yeah, Mohit, congratulations with winning the indicator. Of course, guys. Do know this indicator is not going to get you. No one has to be paying for this indicator. It's going to be free for all. I never will be asking any money for it. So please do take that in consideration. Mohit, if you want to be using it, I just added you. Like this. Yeah, I added you just a moment ago. So you can right now use it. So that's of course pretty nice. If you want to be using it, for everyone who doesn't know it yet how it works here, let's say if I add you to the indicator, you can go to invite only scripts, and you can see over here Rover Trends V1, and you have Rover Trends V1 MACD identificator. So that's how it works here, and that's where you can find it. Of course, there are a lot of settings that I have not explained yet here, and of course before it goes public, I want to be going over all the settings you can be adjusting, because like there's so many So many possibilities that you can use in this indicator for. You could be using hidden divergence. You could be using like the divergence only if it's overbought or sold. There are so many things that you could be using. You could be as well use the bar color. If the RSI is above the 50, the bar color will be of course green. If the RSI is below the 50, the bar color will be red here. So that basically shows you on what kind of momentum wave you are, etc. You could be using all kinds of other momentum indicators for it as well. So there's a lot of things included in the indicator that probably a lot of people in the beginning won't understand yet, but I do get that, and that's the reason why I want to be bringing first out a dedicated video about the indicator that's going to be explaining every single thing about it before, of course, it's going to be officially come out, of course. So there are a lot of things you could do with it, and I've not even showed anything of it, what you can do basically with it right now. Of course, if you keep your mouse on the R's, you can see regular bullish divergence or hidden bullish divergence right now. Of course, here we were forming a hidden bullish divergence that leaded towards this push up here. Because like, what's very important with this indicator, if you want to be using the indicator to your advantage, if you want to be making money with the indicator, you wait for several divergence confirmations. Like over here, on the MACD, on this candle over here, on the MACD had hidden bullish divergence. Over here as well, hidden bullish divergence, hidden bullish divergence. 4 hidden bullish divergence gives you a signal to open, of course, a smart minor trade. And of course, if you open it over there, you made, of course, 2% profit approximately. So these things are very strong here. And of course, this is on the 1 hour time frame, but I think the indicator is way stronger on the I think the best time frame to use this indicator for is a 4 hourly time frame. Of course, right now I'm still figuring it out myself as well. And of course, you know, this is the version 1 of the indicator. This is going to become way more things that is going to get added towards the indicator if the V2 version comes out here. So I look forward towards it. So Mohit, congratulations. They're going to be way more winners in the future, of course. Please add me, guys. I will give everyone out there. Just give me a moment here. Have a good one. I saw right on the chart and we knew we were going. So yeah, guys. By the way, we opened a new 1 hour candle. Exciting new 1 hour candle that we're currently have been printed. Yeah, very, very cool to see this 1 hour candle getting printed over here right now. Very interesting to see this one playing out over here. Let me see. MATIC and Luna bags are popping off. Indeed, MATIC is doing as well a very strong job right now. To be very honest, MATIC is still holding up pretty good here, 10% up today. I've been distributing a little bit here along the way because I've been revealing, of course, my MATIC buy live on the stream, right? So I've been I did accumulate a lot of MATIC live on stream on this correction on the 4th of December. Bought bags of MATIC on $1.70, and of course I did it literally live on the stream. I did it literally live on the stream here. So since that point, I've been distributing at all-time highs here. Right now, today I have not been distributing yet here, but last time right, I've been distributing at all-time highs. Of course, more targets I will be taking profits on are once again $2.70 here. So I look forward towards MATIC. It's doing once again a very strong job here. If it could close, it's the highest daily candle close ever in history. It could be having a very positive effect for the MATIC price action right now here. So I would love to see, of course, this continuation getting started through of this $2.44 level. And of course, in order to see that getting happening, yeah, we just have to see this daily candle close above it. So MATIC doing a particularly strong job here. And let's see where it's heading towards from this point. But for me, I will be distributing more along the way up here. But so far, yeah, because such good projects are getting launched on the Polygon network, I think it's going to be most likely continue its way up here. Personally, I think it can easily get in towards the top 10 here. So an easy 2x from here on could be still be done here. So yeah, look forward towards the future with it. Did we already smash the 73.8k here? No, we have not. So yeah, guys, for everyone who doesn't know yet here, for everyone who just tuned in towards the stream here, if we're going to reach the 73.8k today on this stream here, guys, I will be, of course, do a $100 very quick giveaway to you guys out there. So if you do want to be, of course, win $100 free Bitcoin or probably Litecoin, because I will be doing it with Litecoin because then the transaction fees are a little bit lower. So if you want to be winning a free $100, make sure to subscribe to the channel because at 73.8k, I'm going to do the giveaway, of course. Yo, Rover, I've been watching you for 1 year right now. That's crazy, man. I mean, we've almost been around for 1 year right now. So not exactly 1 year, I think. But yeah, indeed, we've been almost around for 1 year. That's pretty crazy. I've learned so much TA myself, and I've been able to quit my 9-to-5 job and go full-time crypto. I mean, bro, full-time crypto is life. Full-time crypto is the thing. So I'm very happy to see my man is going full-time crypto, man. I'm very happy to see this, that people are going, more and more people are going full-time crypto. So let's see if we could hold up this support range over here. Could be, of course, having a little bit more of a bullish edge here on the market. So that's the thing I do look forward towards right now here. Hopefully this could be leading towards a continuation up still, as long as we're holding up the support line. So it's going to be exciting. Come on, guys. We need to 73.8k. Yeah, guys. Looking forward towards it. Looks good. Yeah, I will do another giveaway later on. I will do another giveaway later on. For sure. Yeah, indeed. Well done, Ro, for nearly a year together. I mean, that's the point, man. Guys, I mean, a year just flew by so quickly. I mean, I was not aware like a year can go by so quickly, but for probably everyone out there, for everyone out there here in the space, this year has been fleeing by very quickly because just because of crypto, time flies. I think in crypto, time flies, but outside of crypto, no, time doesn't fly. But I mean, I just look back towards the chart, and I mean, every single daily candle, I can remember those. I know what I talked about with my video, you know, every single daily candle close. I mean, for me, it's so different because I made a video every single day. I've not missed a day for a year. Of course, if in February I began, 1st of February I began with this channel, and I've not missed a day, any day of it. So I'm very curious. I can literally remember every single candle I discussed here, and I look forward towards every single candle that we're about to discuss here. Bitcoin will be hitting 1.2 billion per coin by December 25th. James, I highly doubt that. I highly doubt that for sure, my man. Do you need the paid version for trading view? No, Rob Zombie, you don't need it. That's the nice part about it. Crypto lockdowns make time fly indeed, and crypto plus lockdowns does make a lot of money as well because because of those lockdowns. I mean, I spent more money into crypto and I spent more time, especially as well. So yeah, that's lovely. Handling Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, ADA, chain safe the future. I mean, indeed, you just have to be having a diversified portfolio and hold certain assets that are going to make you very good profits. And of course, those are no, you don't need the paid version. You do not need it at all. You do not need the paid version. Someone is saying yes in the chat, but that's not true, because I know that. Let me see what we're going to have here. Alan is retracing his message. No problem, bro. No problem at all. Let me see what we could be discussing today here as well. Let me go over an interesting Cointelegraph article here. Elon Musk thinks Neuralink is better than the metaverse in the long term. Ooh, that's interesting. Neuralink, he tweeted about it. First Neuralink product will be enable someone with paralysis to use a smartphone with their mind faster than someone using their thumbs. That's crazy. Neuralink is like a company he as well invested in, right? So that's the reason why he said it. Yeah, that's his company, founded Neuralink. So that's very exciting, of course. So yeah, Elon Musk, of course, very exciting, man. Of course, what he's doing right now. El Salvador buys 21 Bitcoin to celebrate the 21st of December 2021. And of course, yesterday it was the 21st of December in 2021. And as well, it was the 21st century. So it was a pretty 21 conception. And of course, El Salvador is celebrating that day by buying another 21 Bitcoins. That's a pretty nice way to celebrate the day, right? I mean, guys, how did you guys celebrate it? Did you as well bought 21 Bitcoin to celebrate it? So it's pretty cool. Like he's saying over here, today is the 21st day of the 21st year of the 21st century. So that's pretty cool. El Salvador's entire size is 21,000 M2, so that's pretty cool. Coincidence? No, I don't think so. So pretty cool what they're doing. But yeah, not a 21 Bitcoin getting audited, but of course 21 Bitcoin is not really a buy that will be having any influence on the market or whatsoever. But yeah, they just are buying the dip over and over again. And because of Bitcoin, El Salvador is solving a lot of their issues in their country. And of course they are having a lot of care. And I mean, all these other countries around El Salvador are seeing it as well. and they will be stepping over as well. They're going to be investing as well in crypto. Well, Bitcoin is, by the way, pushing up a little bit here. I bought 2021 Bitcoin. Oh man, they're crazy. We've got some crazy whales watching. I mean, I can be very honest with you. I don't even own 1,000 Bitcoin. Not yet. But of course, one day there will be a day that we will be owning 1,000 Bitcoin. I think. So I look forward towards it. 50. Yeah, that's crazy. 1,000 Bitcoin will be truly amazing. I bought 21 million Bitcoin. I mean, that's crazy. You're owning all the supply. It's not even out yet. Yesterday, I 3x my portfolio by YOLOing everything on the 10x leverage. Please, wow, that's maybe fun for now, but to be honest, is it smart? No. Is it good for your emotions? No, it's not good at all. So, Chris, this is what tuning in towards the stream. Chris, welcome to the stream here. Go Bitcoin, go indeed, guys. Let's send it towards the moon. And of course, guys, we do know it. Today is going to be the day here. Today is going to be the day, of course. VLaunch, we have been talking about it already several times here in the stream here, guys. But VLaunch is going to get listed today, and it's going to be hella exciting. It's going to be so exciting. Of course, guys, we do know later today we're going to have the stream here, special VLaunch VBIT live token launch stream here. So make sure that you are going to be there. And of course, by smashing up that subscribe button, ring the bell notification right now, you will be not missed out on that stream, because that stream is going to be crazy. So I'm looking forward towards what we're going to be having here. So how many Bitcoins do you own? That's a very good question. Well, we're not going to answer it now. No, but indeed, today is going to be a very exciting day here. I mean, the reason why we're all so excited today is because, yeah, we're going to get VBIT launched here today. So it's going to be an extremely exciting day here, what we're going to have over here. But, I mean, I should not suggest doing any more of those full portfolio trades here. I think that's a little bit irresponsible for your portfolio. But eventually, yeah, you will be learning. If you're going to do it once again, you're going to probably learn it the hard way. But of course, I rather want you guys to learn from my mistakes instead of you making a mistake again, because that's why I'm here. I'm trying to help you guys to be, of course, not make these mistakes that I already made. And that's, of course, my passion that I do have over here. So, yeah, it's going to be extremely exciting here, what we're going to have today. But, of course, the VRers are tuning in, of course, already towards the chat here. But guys, it's going to be very exciting later today here. It's going to be very exciting later today, of course. In like 3 hours from now, and we're going to go live with the stream here. Of course, I will be linking to you guys this stream already later today here. But guys, let me quickly do a giveaway. If we are reaching that 73.8k target, I will be doing this quick giveaway to you guys out there. So if you do want to be winning a quick $100, do not forget to slap up the like button right now, guys. Make sure to do so. So not slap up the like button, I mean slap up the subscriber button. That's, of course, the thing that we're waiting for. Bitcoin will dump again. I mean, Bitcoin will always dump here. Bitcoin will approximately every single 3 months. Bitcoin does dump here, of course. But personally, right now, it's going to be happening today. Is Bitcoin, depending what your opinion is about a dump here, of course, in the market. Is your dump, like, do you see a Bitcoin dump a 10% move down? Is that a dump for you? Depending, of course, on what kind of time frame. But in my opinion, we are rather in for a major market reversal towards the upside rather than a movement down here. So Chris is saying, I love this channel. I mean, Chris, we all love your channel as well. So that's absolutely amazing to that you're tuning in here. But of course, it's talking about, like, is it likely to get a market reversal right now here towards the upside? Yes, because we do see all these momentum indicators creating bullish momentum on the market. And that just clearly gives us a signal we're going to most likely see continuation towards the upside. Of course, it's always about managing your risk. And if you're going to be managing your risk correctly right now, you should not be going short, in my opinion. Of course, always do your own research. And of course, you can do whatever you want. But managing your risk right now is for sure looking right at long positions and then shorts. Because, yeah, the momentum on the chart is shifting. We can see all kinds of momentum reversal signals getting created here. And this is going to be eventually lead towards a continuation up here. So I look forward towards it. How many VRers are you guys? Let me know how much VRers are right now in the chat here. So how many VBIT people are here? How many people are excited about VBIT? Let me just say it like that. Guys, let me know in the chat here. How excited are you about VLaunch? Let me know in the chat here. Can we get some hype here as well in the chat about the project that is about to get launched today, guys? It's going to be a sick day. The day we've been all waiting for, the day that like a lot of people have been active for, and a day that a lot of people have been waiting for as well. It's going to be today. It's going to be today that we're going to get listed. So I look forward towards it. And it's going to be a launchpad that's definitely going to go down in history books. But let me know in the chat here how many people are excited about the project. Let me know in the chat here. 100x, let's go. Guys, that's crazy. VPAT gang, me here. Guys, the chat is going nuts here right now, indeed. I will be buying 20k VPATs. I mean, guys, of course, later today, we're going to as well do a live buy here on VPAT. So in the stream we're going to do here, guys, we're going to be live accumulating VPAT on the stream. We're trying to get the lowest entry as possible. We're trying to scoop up. Once the token is going to get listed, we're trying to be buying it as soon as possible. So if you want to be checking it out here, guys, we're going to be here all together. So everyone's going nuts here in the chat about VPAT. Paul, who's excited about VChat? That's a very good poll. We could do that. So I look forward towards it, of course. I mean, if you do want to be, of course, as well, buy VPAT today, do not forget to check out Famex in the link in the description, because VPAT will be getting listed on Famex. And if you want to be buying VPAT, sign up on Famex already, because that will be allowing you to be, of course, accumulate these tokens as soon as possible. So you're not going to be buying it, let's say, $1, because, yeah, I already buy it in 3 cents where it is getting listed on, you know? So I look forward towards it. Someone has asked me what price it's going to be getting listed. If I said correctly, and please correct me if I'm wrong, I think it's going to be 3 cents. So it's going to be hella exciting. So I joined the original Telegram that got deleted, so I consider myself an OG. That's definitely true. It's going to be in Binance. I mean, I don't know yet here. I mean, it's extremely big community, and I do know, like, if tokens are going to get listed on Binance, what is necessarily for Binance is like they're going to have a big community, right? And of course, this token is a very, very big community. So of course, I don't know what the project is exactly going to do in terms of where it's going to get listed on, because that's probably a thing that they're working on. But I do know that, like, if you want to be getting listed on Binance, you need a big community. And one thing that VPAT has for sure is a big community. So I think that is pretty much settled already. So that's looking good. But yeah, I'm extremely excited about it. And especially staking your tokens to get access towards these tokens, guys, it's going to be extremely valuable. So yeah, today is going to be a roller coaster. It's going to be definitely be very, very much a roller coaster. So yeah, we're going to be going through it all together. And that's the reason why we're going to be jumping on the stream later today here, especially talking about VPAT, where we're going to go in depth about every single stuff about it, you know. So that's the thing I look forward towards. And let's see if we can reach the $1 today, guys. Can we smash it up towards $1 today? Let me know in the chat here. Do you think it can do in a 30x on launch day? So it's going to be that 33x on launch day, what basically means it's going to reach $1. I mean, if it can reach $1, it's crazy. I mean, indeed, it's going to be absolutely crazy if we're going to see that. So I look forward towards it. I very much look forward towards it. Where we'll be launching, it will be launching on several platforms, but it will be as well launched on Famex. So I think Famex is for the users the easiest way to get in towards it. So that's why I as well say that you can, of course, get your account already settled down here if you're going to be, go to Famex. Of course, if you as well, like, sign up for my link in the description, you will be getting an extra bonus. So that's a win-win scenario for us both. So if you want to be doing that, will be truly amazing. But Famex is the place where it will be getting listed. Not only place, but it will be allow you to scoop it up as soon as possible, of course. So yeah, it's going to be exciting. So 25x minimum. I mean, I look forward towards it. 25x will be lovely. Why are we so hyped about VPAT? Because VPAT is the first influencer-backed launchpad. And of course, we do know Launchpad, if you can stake your tokens on Launchpads and get pre-access to these tokens, you could be making a bunch of money. So the more tokens you're going to stake, the more money you're going to be basically make here. So that's the reason why I'm excited, because I'm here to stake my tokens here on VLaunch. I'm here to stake my tokens, and with the tokens I stake, I just make a bunch of money. So because I can get access towards these next tokens, you know. So that's the reason why we're excited about it. Launch at 2 p.m. Yeah, indeed. Yeah, depending on where you live, of course. But it's 2 p.m. UTC, so London time, and it's like 3 p.m. Dutch time. So yeah, looking forward towards it. With your Bitcoin swing trade, my Bitcoin swing trade is so far doing decent. Of course, we're only $14,000 approximately in profit right now. But of course, in like the coming days ahead of ourselves, we're going to be making way more profits, and hopefully we could be trading this trade all the way down, all the way up towards, let's say, 100 or 200k. So looking forward towards it. I very much look forward towards it. I got 430. That's nice. 73. Oh, wait, guys, let me see if we reach the 70. Oh, guys. So if we can get another 3 subscribers right now, I can do a $100 giveaway, guys. So if we're going to reach the 73.8k subscribers, we're going to do a $100 giveaway. So make sure to subscribe to the channel right now if you want to be winning a giveaway right now. I'm real quickly thinking about how we're going to do it. So let me quickly think of it. But yeah, let's do a giveaway. $100. Guys, do you have some very good ways to give away through YouTube? Or I think I have to do it through Twitter again. So because yeah, if I do it on Twitter, it's easier. It's easier. Tweet. Yeah. I think we reach it right now here. I think in any second from now. Only 2 subscribers to go, guys. Let's smash it up because then we can do the giveaway. I will be doing it through Twitter because if we're doing it through Twitter, it's going to be way easier. So of course, only the people from YouTube will know here. So you will be having the yeah, it will be very easy. It will be very easy. Let's go, guys. Let's hopefully one of you guys are going to be hopefully one of you guys is going to be winning that $100. So guys, I just saw we reached the target. Oh no, we are just one subscribers away. Yeah, we just reached it. So guys, I will be quickly do this. I will quickly tweet this. So just go to my Twitter page. The only thing you have to do here is, because otherwise it doesn't work here. So listen up very quickly. If you want to be winning this $100, you have to retweet and like and follow Rover CRC. So my account here on Twitter. So you can see it right in the bottom left side of the screen. If you follow this account, if you like and retweet, because you have to retweet, because if you don't retweet, we don't see it in like the draw picker. So retweet and follow this account, Rover CRC. If you don't follow Rover CRC, you will be not able to win this $100. So please go to my Twitter page. I will be linked the tweet as well very quickly, of course. So I will be pick the winner after this tweet is 10 minutes live, guys, right now. So we have another 10 more minutes to go, and then I will pick the winner, okay? So you have to retweet, and you have to follow Rover CRC and like this tweet, of course. Otherwise, you will be not able to get picked here. So go to the Twitter page, and you can check it out over there. Otherwise, I'm not going to be able to, of course, pick a winner, because that's are the requirements with like the Twitter giveaway picker. So make sure to retweet and, of course, like and, of course, follow the account, and then you will be able to win it, guys. So it's going to be very exciting here. Make sure to do so. Hopefully you guys are going to be winning this giveaway. Of course, $100 is on the line here, so it's a very quick one that you could be winning. So already 70 entries got in here, because every retweet and like and follow is basically an entry. So make sure to do so right now. It's really amazing if you're going to smash it up like crazy. Yeah, like, retweet, and follow, and that's your entry ticket basically. So make sure to do so. It will be truly amazing. I look forward towards what we're going to get. So of course I will be doing the pick of the winner. I will be picking the winner as soon as we are 10 minutes live with the suite. So we'll be going back into the charts here. In 10 minutes from now on, I'm going to pick a lucky winner, and of course we're going to literally pick the winner in front of your screen. So hopefully one of you guys is going to be very lucky. I mean, hopefully one of you guys are going to be very lucky. So I look forward towards, of course, how it's going to be playing out. And I think it's a pretty funny tweet as well, right? So like a bear that got shot in the head. It's pretty funny. So I look forward towards what we're going to do. So Bitcoin, by the way, bouncing its way back up here, above the $49,000 again. Let's see what we're going to do. 1 minute up already. Yeah, guys, we're right now, the tweet is right now up 1 minute. As soon as it's live 10 minutes, I will be pick the winner. So if you still want to win a free $100 real quickly, make sure to follow us. Make sure to retweet and like this tweet here. That's the reason. That's the way how you can win it. I've said it several times before, so I will be repeating it in 10 minutes from now on. But right now I'm going to stick away from it. So let's see what we're going to have here. Let's see what we're going to have. Oh, I very much look forward towards it. And guys, let me know if you do like me. Let me know in the chat if you do like me to do every single day giveaways, because from now on then, I will be doing every single day a giveaway if we're reaching our daily target, right? So if we don't reach our target right now, of course, we reach the target of 73.8k subscribers. But if we are, let's say, not going to reach it, or not going to do a giveaway, but every single day we're going to set a target. If we do reach it, we're going to do a giveaway. So guys, let me know what you guys think of this idea. I think it's a very good one. So Dusty BC is well tuning in here, an absolutely legend, of course, legendary guy tuning in towards the stream. So let me see. I saw Luna 1 month ago. Man, that feels very bad for you, my man. Hopefully you're going to see in. Hopefully you're still not sold everything, or I don't know if you did sold everything, but that's pretty unfortunate, of course. Come on, yeah, guys, we reached the target, so that's good. It's good. So I look forward towards it. Dusty BC is well in the house, indeed. Dusty BC tuning in, absolutely amazing. So yeah, very funny what we're currently seeing here. But yeah, so far Bitcoin is not really showing any volatility. Of course, we can go into some lower time frames what we're currently seeing. Of course, on the 15-minute, we could be approaching this chart here for the imminent short term as a double top, of course. So you can see Bitcoin forming a double highs here, currently forming as well rejection. Of course, on the 50-minute time frame as well, we have been seeing a lot of bearish divergence getting formed. So of course, I'm never bearish on Bitcoin longer time frame, but of course, right now 15-minute time frames, so extremely low time frames, the momentum is particular bearish right now in the market. Like you can see the RSI forming bearish divergence, a money flow index bearish divergence, Touch RSI bearish divergence, MACD as well double bearish divergence. So indeed, we are seeing right now some bearish pressure getting formed here on the lower time frames. So what we could be seeing here is that the coming hours is probably going to be resulting in Bitcoin coming down a little bit here. And of course, our target that we are right now aiming for is like for next accumulation range for people that want to be still opening trades. Or for me, I will be trying to add more to my trades and of course open maybe even another scalp trade on my different account here is to open another trade here on the 48,000 US dollars, because that's going to be a target that I will be aiming for. And yeah, of course, if you do want to be taking this target as well, and if you do want to be joining me with any of my trades I'm going to do here, because yeah, all our trades so far that we have been doing publicly on this channel has been legendary because we've been making bunches of money together. So yeah, if you do want to be joining us with these trades, check out BYBIT here in the link description because they will be offering you a very good bonus. But Dusty BC is right now asking us do some XRP analysis, and I've got some very good XRP analysis for you prepared in the pipeline for special Dusty BC. First of all, I like to start with the higher time frames, and I don't know why, but all my drawings are gone. Apparently, all my drawings are gone. I don't know what it. There are my drawings. So let's first start off with XRP in the weekly time frame. XRP is basically repeating itself all over again since 2017. 2017, we saw a major symmetrical triangle getting formed on the weekly time frame. 2021, we're seeing the exact same. And how is it going to look like in a few years from now? It's going to be looking like this. But no, just no kidding. XRP is forming, of course, a major weekly symmetrical triangle. This one is about to be breaking out here in the coming weeks ahead of ourselves. So yeah, this could be taking a couple weeks of consolidation. It could be taking another 77 days from now on. But what we can right now say about this move, and what we can right now say about what XRP is right now doing so, is that probably in the coming 84 days here, XRP is going to see a massive volatility shock either direction. Most likely it's going to be towards the upside, but XRP is going to be seeing a volatility shock because of this major symmetrical triangle, of course, on the market. And that's the thing I'd look forward towards on this channel here. So as well, XRP, what we're currently seeing over here is that we are forming a major downward sloping trend line here on the daily time frame. Has been providing us resistance, support as well. Right now we're still yet to be approaching it. As well, major downward sloping support / resist line. Over here, got rejected, broke above it. Good sign, of course, what we currently see over there. As well, we do have this green line here of previous major support, resistance. And basically, we do have a lot of resistance, of course, that we found on those ranges. Currently, what we can see here is that XRP once again providing resistance by this range again, and of course, support was getting found over here, support getting found over there, and rejection right now today. So, what is going to be crucial for today is that XRP is going to close its daily candle above of this green line of resistance. As soon as XRP does close its daily candle above of this range, I personally do expect XRP is going to create a continuation up here, and XRP is going to be seeing a significant move up from this point, and that's the thing I do look forward towards right now here from this point. And personally, I do really expect XRP is going to do so as well from this point. So right now we're closing in towards the $1, but as soon as we do break the top side over here, this could be leading towards continuations up here. But as well, we do know Redbox is still trading above us, major support and resistance from the past, and yeah, XRP still right now has a lot of levels to break here before getting extremely bullish. But yeah, indeed, we're coming closer and closer towards the bullish stages for XRP here. And as soon as we do break this $1.04 again, that could be, of course, enabling this this bullish period for XRP. But so far, we have been already seeing so. So I look forward towards it. I very much look forward towards it. XRP has big potential. I mean, I totally agree with that. XRP has the potential to see a massive increase from up this point here. So I look forward towards it as well. Quickly checking up on the tweet we did here. So the tweet right now is 8 minutes live. So in 2 minutes from now, we're going to pick a winner. Real quickly, we right now got like 182 entries because, guys, we're quickly going to say it. You could be winning $100 if you're right now going to be follow me on Twitter at RoverCRC. You're going to retweet and like this tweet, and I will be picking the winner 2 minutes from now on. So put it real quickly once again in the chat here. And Alex is right now in a plane flying from London to London, so that's have a nice flight, my man. But yeah, you could still win, of course, a quick $100 by retweeting this tweet here, liking the tweet, and follow me on Twitter. And it will be picked the winner literally in 1 minute from now on. So make sure to be quick, because otherwise you're going to be missing out on a very quick, yeah, cheap $100, right? So pretty cool. VBIT will be awesome for the long term. I totally agree with that one. Indeed. I totally do agree with that one. I for sure look forward towards that. So yeah, 1 minute from now, we're going to be picking this winner, and it's going to be an exciting journey. Very exciting journey. So you guys are absolutely smashing a like button on that one. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool to see. Pretty cool to see. 1 minute to go, guys. Which tweet? I literally put it in the like this tweet over here. You can see it over here. We got the 200 entries. So, guys, hopefully one of you guys are going to be extremely lucky. So I truly hope so. So we're going to be picking the $100 giveaway winner in a second from now on. And of course, guys, we're going to do this every single day here. So if you not win it today, you're going to win it tomorrow, or you're going to win it the day after, or whatsoever, you know. So yeah, we'll be loading in the giveaway picker, the Twitter giveaway picker in a second from now on. So please stay calm. Right now the tweet is 10 minutes live, so I'm going to pick the winner right now. And I'm going to give 1 more minute for everyone to enter. So go to my Twitter page, @overseas. Follow me on Twitter, like and retweet this tweet, so you could be getting an entry. This is the last option you have here. It's the last option you have to still join this very quick giveaway. I'm going to pick and load the giveaway in like a few seconds from now on. So please give me a second here. And we're in the meantime as well going to keep our eyes wide open on the market here, because yeah, Bitcoin is of course our main thing to watch right now here. My first Lambo will be paid in that will be amazing. Better than lottery. I mean, okay, I'm going to be right now. I'm right now going to be loading it in, guys. So let me see how much entries. Yeah, 225. So I'm right now going to load in the tweet here real quickly. So yeah, this is the tweet, of course. Yeah, we got 216 entries. So guys, there's going to be one winner. Please pray for yourself. Hopefully, one of you guys are going to be extremely lucky, because you are going to win $100 free in crypto. And the winner will be Kazarama. I don't know, Ape World Point Wallet. So this is the lucky winner. Congratulations, my man here. We'll be quick to send you a message. Hey, bro, you won $100. And of course, after stream, I will be right away send it to you. So lucky winner is April. And of course, guys, I will be doing every single day these giveaways. So if you missed out on this one here, yeah, you will be probably not miss out on the next one. I mean, he tried as well on the last ones here. So I mean, true legend. Hopefully you're going to enjoy it. Maybe you're watching right now as well. But yeah, hopefully, guys, if you did not win this one, you will be winning the next one. I mean, if you just try it enough times, you will be got lucky eventually, of course. So yeah, congratulations with your win, of course. It's completely lucky, but the next one, yeah, I feel so sad for the other 216 people, you know. So it's always only one person that can win. So maybe next time I'm going to do 5 winners. I'm going to pick 5 winners at once. So guys, let me know what you guys think about that one. So I look forward towards, maybe if we reach like this target of 100k, I'm going to do literally pick 100 winners. So one of you guys will get lucky, you know. So thank you so much for, of course, subscribing to the channel, of course, and thank you for participating in the giveaway. And if you not won it, yeah, I'm sorry, but next time will be better. Next time will be better. So look forward towards it. Congratulations, indeed. Is he here? Let me know. Let me know in the chat. Is he here? Fake account? No, it's not a fake account. It's just a random picker, man. Oh, you already messaged me. Oh my gosh, thank you, Rover. Enjoyed your video. So that's very nice to know. Please send your Litecoin address. Will be truly amazing if you're right now watching. Otherwise, we'll send you in a question. If Bitcoin pumps next hour, I'm so bullish on Ethereum. I mean, that's true for me as well. I like I said several times before, I think the 15-minute time frame is right now creating some bearish momentum right now. And because it's creating right now some bearish momentum, yeah, this could be eventually still lead for Bitcoin coming down a little bit further to, let's say, 48k before seeing this increasement again. So for me, I'm still neutral in it because we're like in the candlestick formation, we're still forming higher lows. So it's of course particularly good, particularly decent. So yeah, right now just waiting to see what we're going to go from off, of course. So I look forward towards it. It's me, guys. It's real. Nice, man. Nice, man, that you're watching. That's very lovely to see here. Very lovely to see. Don't be sad. I mean, eventually, if you did not win this one, you will be winning eventually, my man. So, yeah, it's going to be exciting here. It's going to be a very, very exciting one. So I look forward towards the next giveaways that we're going to do here. But guys, anyways, right now, unfortunately, I will be currently wrapping up the stream here because I have to do some preparations for the stream later today. Guys, I will be back streaming, guys. I will be back streaming at least in, let's say, 2 hours from now on. But maybe if there's going to be happening anything on the market, I will be going earlier live, right? Because, yeah, I'm going to discuss mainly VLaunch. Of course, I'm going to discuss the live token launch. But as well, I'm going to go over the Bitcoin market as well. So, guys, if you do right now want to be not missing out on any of these content here, do not forget to smash up the like button and subscribe to the channel right now here. It will be truly amazing if you're going to do so right here. But with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. And I will check you guys in the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.